Hide your kids, hide your families, hide your grandmas, hide your grandpas. Hey, yo. What up, chat? Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday, right? Today is Friday, NFP. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hide your kids, hide your mom, hide your grandpa, hide your grandpa, hide your cousins. The prop firm industry's coming for them all. The regulations are coming. What up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy Friday. Welcome in. Hope you guys are doing good. We're going to get started here in just a moment. Let me just set up Zoom and all that good stuff, and we'll get underway. How y'all feeling, man? Can we get some W's in the chat here today? If you're happy to be here, if you're excited to be here, and ready to go, let's get some W's in the chat. All right, let me share my screen, and I think we're good. What up, chat? How y'all feeling? I see some W's in here. What up, Z Gamers in the house? What up, Z Gamer? Let me pop up the Discord. Boom. All right, let's see who we got here on this lovely Friday. Gang, we got NFP here today. We got some time to talk about the charts and do a breakdown, all that good stuff. Let me go here and share my screen. All right. Lovely. Let's mute. Boom. All right. Hey, Shiro's in the building. What up, Shiro? Shiro's a damn stud. Oh, always dabbing. What up, LeGrand? What up, Cat Studios? Big Folk Reds here today. What do we got here today? We're calling out attendance here. We got Dennis. We got Raja. We got... Who else? What up, Christian? We got everything. Wow, everything is in the building. What up, everything? What's up, Giuseppe? What's up, Henry? Gotta Trade is here, as always. What up, Mello? What up, Adrian Freedom? I like that name. Rob Trades, what's going on, bro? Who else we got here? Cash Z's in the building. Sunrise was good. What up, Lewis? Ooh, FX Vikings here. Let's go. YOLO Trader. What up, YOLO Trader? Anthony Fernandez is in the house. Rich and Loyal, or Royal is in the house. What up, Rich and Royal? USA Love in the building. What up, Blake? What's up, Blake? What's up, Forex Trader? Good morning, sir. What's up, Wags? Hey, Jerry. Options is in the building. What up, Options? Disturbed, running with the pack. Disturbed, always running with the pack. Hey, what up? The Groomsmith is here. What up, the Groomsmith? What up, Leo? What up, Blasco, Adam, JFX, Alexandru in the building. What up, Randall? What's up, Aaron, Muhammad? B. Smith, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Jimmy Lambo's in the building. Hey. What up, George? Hey, George. George VDM. Let's go. Who else? All right. Who else is here? Muslim Man's in the building. What up, Muslim Man? What up, Bobby? Blessed, yes, sir. What a good morning, huh? All right. Anyway, gang, happy Friday. Let's get going here. It is Friday. It is the last day of the week, first day of the month, and another day on the Time to Eat live streams, right? We're going to continue to do what we do best. We're going to show up this month, show up this day as professionals, as disciplined as we are. We're going to wait for the next best setup that comes from our playbook here today. So we do have a lot of news coming in. We have some high volume coming in today, but that doesn't really change anything for us, right? We're going to show up day in and day out as professionals and do what professionals do. So let's talk about the fundamental news that's in our way here today. Let me just lower the music a smidge. All right, that should be good. All right, lovely. So, gang, it is Friday. It is September 1st here. So it is the first Friday of the month. And you guys know what happens on the first Friday of every month, right? We've got non-farm payroll, right? NFP coming in hot here today at 8:30. We also have some CAD news coming in as well. You also have unemployment rates as well here. So got a lot of news coming in here at 8:30, and then we are pretty clear until about 10 a.m. Then we have some ISM manufacturing PMI coming in. We also have something at 9:45. So we got news all over the place here today. Should be an interesting day. We should see a lot of volume. Yeah, it should be a good one. So we'll break down the charts here. Let me just one more thing. Boom. Okay. We'll talk about what's going on with gold here, and yeah, let's dive into the charts. So let me pull this down. So gang, we had a monthly close. Are you guys happy to be out of August or what? You guys happy to be out of August? What up, Classic Trader? So we are officially out of August, right? We have entered into a new month, September. This monthly candle has closed, right? We did close bearish. We did close pretty nice, right? We created a resistance here. We closed, you know, almost like we could expect some sort of an onion play / pack runner here this month coming up. So that's what we're going to look at here. We are going to look at what is the bias here on the month. Well, we do know that we did close bearish. We know what's been going on because we've been tracking gold like crazy. And, you know, we have this range right here, right, that it would be very, very nice to close below, right? But what we have done, we've officially created a resistance here. And now we have a support, right? So this is the range that we're currently trading in based off of the monthly time frame right here, right? So that's the trade, that's the range that we're trading in here. If we did close bearish last month, I would expect to see a continuation down here this month. You do have a wick to fill down here, coming down to like 1880, somewhere in this range that we can fill. And if we do fill that wick, price should look something like this after creating a top wick. Whoops, wrong color. After creating a top wick, let's say, right, you could expect price to continue down, fill this wick, and possibly close below this support level right here, indicating that price now should be pretty clean to drive down, you know, back down towards 1825. So, you know, that's an idea here for this month. We did close bearish. We don't have a top wick. We may see that top wick coming here this week, or maybe sometime over the next week, 2 weeks, or we may not see it at all, right? We may not see this top wick at all. It may just create a regular top wick and then continue down to fill that wick there to the left-hand side. So that's what we got going on based off of the monthly time frame. We are sitting in that range currently right now. We did create a resistance, so that is good. Now it's just about, you know, taking a look at the weekly and the daily and seeing what we got going on, right? So weekly, hey, yo. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. So the weekly time frame is pushing up pretty heavy here, right? We kind of jumped out the gate here with no bottom wick, right? We have very little to no bottom wick on this weekly time frame. After creating a support here, you know, price is now pushing up, right? So where are we headed? Well, there's a resistance up top here that we may be able to retest. But all I know is that if we do close above, let's say the yellow zone here, then, you know, this weekly candle should be good to continue up towards like 1980, right? Somewhere up here, and then possibly even back up towards 2020. So we'll see what happens with the weekly close here today. We do have high impact news coming in that can change a lot of things up really quickly, really quickly with price action here. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the daily, right? Because the daily did close bearish yesterday. And if you guys notice, we did close bearish right at resistance, right? We closed bearish right below resistance here. We had this high, right, that stayed pretty strong. This high never broke the high of the previous candle. We did see the candle open up yesterday and or today, I guess, right? But at the open of this candle, we did break the previous candle lows. Now it seems like we're coming up to create this top wick, and if we do start pushing down, if we re-break these lows here, very high chance we will continue down here today. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame and see what we got going on, right? So 4-hour time frame is in a range itself, and if we look, we can measure this range, or we can identify this range, right? You have a resistance and then you have a support, right? And this is the current range that the 4 hours trading in. So what's one thing that we can see here is that this candle has no bottom wick. So no bottom wick just yet. May come down. I do expect the bottom wick on this 4-hour candle. There is an hour and 51 minutes left here, so we'll see if we can get that. But that's the range that we're currently in, right? We are approaching this resistance here with no bottom wick. We may get a rejection, or price may just close very strong above that. We don't know that yet, but we will find out in about an hour 51 minutes. One thing I can expect that is if we start getting closures on the lower time frame indicating price moving down, that may mean that price wants to come down here to make a bottom wick on this 4-hour candle. So let's go ahead, let's dive down. If we're going to find positions today, we're going to look for positions off the 1 hour and the 30, right? So remember, we did close bearish yesterday right at this resistance. I am looking for sells today. I'm also open for buys today, and the way that we're going to figure all this out is going to be on these lower time frames here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour, see what we got going on. We do see that we have a support that has been formed here on the 1 hour time frame. There is another resistance up here at 1946, and you know, prices looks like the bullish run is getting a bit weak, right? Notice how we pushed up very strong. We created somewhat of a celery play. You had a very strong bullish candle, and now this candle closed very weak, right? And now this one right out the gate popped off, but now it is starting to reject. So it looks like some of the bullish volume is dying out here pre-New York. You do have some consolidation here to the left that may be giving price a little bit of a problem. So hey, can this be the daily top wick, right? Maybe this is the daily top wick for price to continue down here today based off of the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 30-minute as well here, right? Because 30-minute, you do have a resistance right here, right? There is there's a support formed right here. There is a resistance up here, and this is currently the range that we're trading in. So can we hold this support, right? Can we hold this support, or will this 30-minute candle close bearish and continue to consolidate in range until NFP here today, right? We got 19 minutes left on this candle. We'll take a look at that in about 19 minutes, but pretty clean, right? Pretty clean traffic on the way up, but I want to see this 30-minute candle close. So I think what we could do here today is clean sells are below here. I think we could look for fake outs right in this range here for price to close back into the range and continue down here, right? Because if we've pushed up, this push up has been the daily top wick being formed, right? So if this is going to be the top wick, which I'm not saying it is, but if it was, then we would start to expect to see price moving back down now, right? After this somewhat of a rejection, closing back below and then starting to trade lower, right? And starting to trade lower and move back down to fill this area here. So let's see, right? Let's see what happens. Again, we got 18 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. Let's see how it closes. There is another little bit of a range right here that may give price an issue. So let's keep an eye on all this, and yeah, we'll see where we're at. So potential fake outs to come back down right around 1943 here today. Clean sells below 1942. Very, very clean traffic to the left-hand side. I would love to look to trade in that zone and target 1939, 1938, 500 here, just like yesterday, and see if we can get the continued push down. So I do like buys above 1945 coming up towards, 1947, 500 here. So that's what I'll look to do. I'll look to take my buys currently above 1945, basically 067, right? You already have that range 2 form, right? You have this support, resistance, a new support, a new resistance. If we close above, clean traffic to the left, probably look to close partials around that support level, which is about 15 pips there, and then hold until like 1947. So let's see how the 30-minute candle closes here. I have a feeling that we may continue to range until news comes out, and then once news comes out, we'll find a direction and see if we can get in there. So that'll be the day here on gold, ladies and gents. That is the day. Pretty simple day. Very clean price action. If we can get our playbook setups to show themselves off, then we should have nice clean moves here today. So that's it. That's the day. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. So if we get some sort of some closures back below here, there may be an opportunity to take sells from 43, 44, but the cleanest range here today is going to be from 1942 to 1939 for sells, right? That's going to be a nice like 40, almost a 40 pip range. Right here we got about an 18 pip range. So all in all, you've got a good solid 50 pips here. So we'll see if we can take a piece of that. And then I think below here is even cleaner, right? If you come down below here in these levels, you got even more clean traffic. And we could expect a strong push down if NFP numbers come out that way, where price should have no problem blasting 50 pips here, closing below, and giving you an opportunity to trade this zone here today. So let's keep all that in mind and make sure we understand which zone and which ranges we're in, and we'll base our positions off that. Cool. That's it. Were you guys even listening to me, or were you guys talking about my Forex funds? I hope y'all were listening. How's my father doing? Oh, he's doing great. Thank you for asking. Yeah, he's doing good. Back home, doing good. I think he has an appointment today with like a neurologist. So yeah. Forgot your glasses? No, I didn't forget them. I just, I figured we'll rock no glasses here today. No hat either. Yeah, I switched it up a little bit. Yep. So, yeah. Good to be here, Nick. Hey, good to have you here. It's good to be here myself as well. Please wear your glasses. All right. We'll put the Superman glasses on. Everyone's listening. All right, cool. My Forex funds analysis. Yeah, so obviously a lot of you guys know. I mean, we could pull up the we'll pull up the thread right here, or do we even have to, right? I mean, there's some obvious things going on, right? One thing my mentor always taught me was you got to control the things that you can control, Nick, and the things that you can't control, you don't put too much mental time and energy, right? So one thing I know is that something happened with my Forex funds, right? They're being they have a court date, right? Their banks are frozen, their accounts are frozen. Nothing I could do, right? Nothing I could do as a little minion here trading with my Forex funds, right? The only thing I can do is control the controllables, right? And that's my attitude. That is my actions, right? So what will I do? Well, I'll continue trading on the funded trader here until something happens with them. If something happens with them, right? If nothing happens with them, awesome, right? We'll continue on. But if prop firms were to shut down, I would probably just fund a live account. Well, I wouldn't probably do it. I would do that, right? So there's always a solution. Always solutions, gang. Yep, I don't know the whole ins and outs and all of what's going on, and you know, there's no reason to, right? There's reasons to learn what's going on, but there's no reasons to dwell upon it. I mean, we got to just do what we got to do, right? It's just another day of dipping and dodging in the life of an entrepreneur. A winion. Yeah, exactly. Don't you have money in my Forex funds? Yeah, I have a 100K live account with them. Yep. Yeah, I got a 100K live account with them. So that account is frozen. Let me pull it up. Let's pull it up. Yeah, look, no movement. Nothing. Nothing. No movement. So this account is frozen. And that's it. You know? What else? What are we going to do? Right? It's the reality of what's going on. So, yeah, I think we'll keep an eye out here over the weekend, see how this affects other firms, right? Especially firms in the U.S. and in Canada and I think the U.K., right? But until then, I'll just trade on this account. We'll continue doing what we set out to do with the 400K account. And worst case, I would just put like 50,000 in a live account, right? And then just trade my own capital. If that was to, you know, if my hand was forced to do that, I would just do that. Simple solutions. Look at this. As long as we develop the skill necessary to be able to pivot. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yep. Uncle Scalp and John with my Forex funds as well. No, we're all with the funded trader. Well, you know, I'm with my Forex funds, but John, Uncle Scalp, Sam, all with the funded trader. I went to FTMO today. Everyone's going back to FTMO now. The TFT's in the US as well. Yeah. Yep. No, I have not talked to anybody from my Forex funds at all. So, yeah, I all I know is they have a court date on September 11th, and that's all I know, right? That's all I know. They're gonna try and sort things out. That may just be the beginning of their court, right? I don't know if they're gonna settle it that day. You know, we don't know, right? We don't know. All this news just hit us yesterday, so the industry's in a frenzy, man. Hide your kids. Hide your kids. Hide your grandma. What broker do I recommend for a live account? We'll talk about that soon if that comes about. Right. I have a few accounts. I have an account with Dominion Markets. I also have an account with KOT Forex. They have been incredible. I think they've been the best broker that I've ever worked with, KOT. The only thing is they've never switched over to MT5, right? But I think they're the best. They've been incredible, right? Like anytime you need a withdrawal, no problem, right away. Never had one issue with them guys. But I don't know if I do decide to put live to invest into a live account again, which I haven't traded in a live account in about a year. Maybe even over a year now. So, yeah, if I do that, I'll let you guys know which account I end up using. Oh, wow. MFF was served a 30-day shutdown warning the week of 4th of July. You know what they did? Released a 12% discount code to milk. Oof. How about my funded FX? I've never used them, so I'm not too sure. What's my highest win? My highest win was about 10K, and that was about a year ago. Oh, nice. Funded next. Yeah, I think, to be honest, I think they are one of the companies that have reached out to me, too. I might be mistaken. I have to look back at my messages, but yeah, I believe that they're one of the prop firms that have messaged me recently. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. What up, Chris? Where is Zoom, by the way? There we go. Classic trader. F prop firms, use your own capital. Yeah, it's whatever your preference is, right? If I'm gonna use prop firms, if the funded trader ends up going up too, then yeah, I'll just probably dump like 50,000 in a live account. Nova, I never really looked into them. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Yeah, if they're incorporated in Dubai, then I'm sure they're straight. They're probably good. They're probably Gucci. Ain't no one touching them over there. Hey, what up, Pablo? Good morning, sir. From the greatest place on earth. Yeah, your own capital is risky too. Exactly. It's all risky, man. It's a risky game. Y'all sure you want to play this game? You sure you want to play? Would I consider FT a Monic? Yeah, probably. The OGs will the OG will stand strong. Yeah, FTMO may be the safest. That's a good point. Let's start a new firm, Nick. Ooh. No, we're not there yet. All you guys like this video? Hey, yeah, if you guys could like the stream, that'd be tubular, dude. Let's see. What do we got here? Just avoid prop firms that are in the US, Canada, and UK. Stay out of the West. What will people do if they don't have enough money for a live account? Is this the end for them? Absolutely not. You gotta listen, gang. And no matter what in life, if you want to win, you gotta figure out a way to win. You gotta find a way to win, right? There's jobs out there. Remember that. People will hire you. They will pay you to work for them, right? All you gotta do is stack up some money and get your own capital. That's it. That's all. It doesn't have to be the end. It doesn't have to be the end for you or for them, right? It's just you got to find a way to win, man. You know, you got to find a way to, move around things. That's entrepreneurship. That's business. You're always going to be thrown these little hurdles, right? And it's up to you to figure out, how to stay steady and, how to remember what we talked about yesterday about just staying optimistic throughout all these little things that come your way on the journey towards your dreams, right? So that's all. You just gotta figure out a way to make it happen. My mentee used to say, just do it. I say, do what? He said, whatever it takes. I was like, what does it take? He said, you just gotta do it. And I said, well, do what? Whatever it takes, Nick. Well, what does it take? Just do it. I was like, all right, I figured it out, right? Figured it out, right? You got to use your brain a little bit. Sam Capital. What up, Sam? Green's in the building. What up, Greenery? What up, Green? How do you have a stop loss? You can move with your mouse. Oh, that's my magic keys. That's my magic keys. You talking about this? Let me turn on the weapon. Are you talking about these? Yeah, this is called magic keys. It's a risk management tool that I use in every single trade I take. Yeah, I have a link. There's a link for it. I have a affiliate link in the description. If you want to grab one, you can grab one. Shiro. Shiro's in the building. Oh, yeah. Delete the My Forex Funds link. Yeah, I will. I'll have to delete that. What up, Buck the Fly? Good morning. Will we get our feedback on My Forex Funds? I highly doubt that. Ghost of Me. What up, Ghost of Me? How you doing, brother? Good to see you here today. What price is Magic Keys? Oh, I don't know. You gotta go. It's not my company. It's just I think they're like $200, and I think you could buy a digital version for $35. I don't know, something like that. How much was your new funded account to open? This one right here. This cost me, I think it was like $1,800 on the funded trader. Can you get digital Magic Keys? Of course, of course. Somebody in Bulgaria. Bulgaria's in the building. All funded accounts are at risk. Psst, all funded accounts. Hide your kids. Can you show better Magic Keys, please? Yeah, go to Instagram, and then click Magic Keys, and then you can take a look at their whole website on there. Did I lose my Forex funds, Nick? No, I still have that account. Yeah, it's frozen, right? It's frozen, but I still got it. There's the Magic Keys link. Nightbot got it for you. Everything is risk, gang. Waking up in the morning is a risk. Driving every day is a risk, right? Some of you guys have never thought about this. Do you guys realize the only thing keeping you away from the car that's going 70 miles an hour straight at you is a painted line on the road? That's a risk. Right? The only thing that's keeping you two apart is a little yellow line that someone, or white line that someone painted on the road. Life is risky, man. Entrepreneurship is risky. Trading is risky. Business is risky. Having a job is risky. Having a crappy diet's risky. Everything is a risk, gang. And once you look at risk to reward in life, things will change, right? You start looking at everything with RR. It does. Yeah. I think you're right. They are located in Czech. Yanosh, what up, Yanosh? Good to see you here today. Greetings from Germany. Hey, yo, what up? Yeah, 30-minute candle closed below the range there. So I think we'll just wait probably till news and see where we're at. Yeah, that's true. I think it's happened because they were not relying on an eternal liquidity provider like FTMO. Instead, they had their own servers. Yeah. Yeah, I think that may have something to do with it too. Good point. Good point. The line on the road stop loss. I just win my first trade by my own. Let's go. W. Big W on this Friday. Good job. Excellent. That's why we're risk takers. Yeah. Yeah. What do I do for a living? I'm a professional risk taker, right? Everything is risky. Jim Rohn. Yeah, exactly. You guys know. Y'all know. Y'all know. First trade you win on your own, the greatest victory you'll have. Yeah, like I was saying, listen, worst case, I will probably just fund my own account with like 40 to 50K, and then we'll just trade that. All right, we'll just trade that. So right now I'm gonna stick with the funded trader. My live account is frozen with my Forex funds, but I'll stick with 400K with the funded trader. And again, worst case, I'll put money in my own account and just trade that. Red Nissan Altima. Do you trade gold only? For the most part. Yeah. I'll probably go back to trading pound yen too, because I like the price action it's starting to make. I really wanted to see pound yen dive down, and it looks like we're starting to do that now, right? Finally starting to show some signs of the, price pushing down here back into a new range. So we'll see what happens with GJ. But yeah, it's been all gold for the most part. Let's pull up our stats here. We got a fresh month here, ladies and gents. But if you look since February here, it's been I've been trading gold now mainly for about a year and a half. This whole year haven't really traded pound yen much, right? Only took one trade in February on pound yen. We took 2 trades right in March. So 3 trades in 2 months on pound yen. Everything else was all gold here. And then once April came around, we hit pound yen a little bit more. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 positions out of GJ and in April. And that was, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 4 in April, and then I think it was just 1, 2, 3. So we didn't really trade GJ at all in May until the last 2 trades of the month. So, and they were 2 losses too. So GJ and GJ, right? Price action hasn't been that good, right? It's just been on a straight bullish rally all year long. So it's been tough to, find ranges on GJ. So yeah, so that's it, right? We took 3 trades on pound yen. 2 of them were losses in May, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. 2 of them were pound yen. So what else? Gold, then we only took 1 trade on GJ here in June, and that was it. So yeah, so what we did was I just pushed pound yen over to the side, and waited. I'm gonna wait out for better price action. So maybe as we move into the next quarter, or as we start to see some bearish moves here on the higher time frame, like this weekly now potentially coming down, then then we can have all this to range in and find ranges, and you'll have clean traffic, and you'll have current price, right? We couldn't find current price there for a while. Nothing was good when we were looking back. So yeah, I think everything's smoothing out a little bit more now, and we should be good with GJ. Starting to look a lot better, to be honest. GJ Khaled. Whoa. Yeah, you see now? You see how GJ now is clean? Before, we were looking left and we couldn't even find price action. But now GJ's starting to give us some price action again, some market structure again, some ranges again. So we will see, my friends. We will see. But pretty much all gold. Let's see. 50K live account, not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, it would be going low for me, but I'd be open to risking a little bit more per trade and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, Matt F. Yup. Work harder on yourself than you do at your job in order to be successful. Yes, sir. That's funny that you say that. That's actually a quote I really used to think about a lot, man. Like even back in the day when I had a job, man, when I was on like my lunch break that they give you, like you get like 30-minute lunch breaks or 1 hour lunch breaks or whatever, and I would literally just go in my car and read, right? Read Jim Rohn, read Les Brown, read Napoleon Hill or Robert Kiyosaki or Bob Proctor or, you know, any of these guys, right? The Magic of Thinking Big. Or I read a lot of leadership books by John Wooden and John Maxwell, right? I was just working, man. I was like working and literally taking that quote or taking that quote literal, you know, just always separating myself. While everyone else was, you know, running over to Wendy's for the 4 for $4, I was sitting in my car fasting reading a book or going over my goals or whatever it was, right? So very true. Damn. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Just got my 10K live account with them. Yeah, it's like you work so hard and then all of a sudden the firm goes down. It's that could be a big bummer, but don't let it upset you. You know, like you have to be solution. You know what? There's probably a lot of people in your situation, and my message to you guys is like, you know, you got to be solution seeking, right? You got to look at the positive. I know it sounds cliche. I know it's easy for you to think, you know, like, but I'm telling you, man, this is what you have to do. You got to look at things positively. You got to seek solution, right? You can't just, you know, just sit on it, right? And just make you miserable. It's just, you got to find another way to win, and stay positive in the meantime, right? Whether it's putting money into your own account or whether it's buying another challenge. If I were all of y'all, I would just sit out for the weekend. Just chill, right? Just chill out. See what happens over the weekend. Don't rush into buying any challenges or doing anything or pulling the trigger on anything, right? Don't make any emotional decisions. Just sit tight this weekend, right? Sit tight. Wait till we get some more news or anything like that. Let the emotions go away a little bit, and then start to seek those solutions, man. And you'll be all right. You'll be all right. Yeah, worst case, you got to start from the bottom, right? If you don't have enough money for a live account, you got to go hustle up some money, right? And, you know, start it, right? One thing I do know is if you truly have the skill, you'll be able to make it no matter what. And if you don't have the skill, that's fine. None of this news should affect you anyway, right? Because you're not even profitable. So just learn the skill set within this time, right? Learn how to be profitable. Learn how to be disciplined, right? This can help a lot of people, right? Okay, guess what? Now you don't have to blow any more My Forex Funds accounts until September 11th, right? Let's focus here. Let's focus on the craft. Let's focus on getting the skill set down. And then once these decisions are ready to be made, you already know, hey, I could go fund a live account with $500 and start making some money, right? You can make $100 a day on a $500 account. It's possible, and you could withdraw it every day. right? So there's always pros, there's always cons, but you got to look at things, you know, with a glass half full in life. I would say Nick with no rules on the account would go crazy. Yeah. You guys want to see me trade a live account? I can't trade my Forex funds. Free shit. That thing frozen. That brother's starving. Just keep moving forward. Yeah, that's all you can do. My friend bought a 10K account. Oh, yeah, he's crying. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Funded. You got a 100K account. Funded. You're 10% in profit. Oh, yeah. In my opinion, why don't I use indicators? I'm very. I'm very. Let me. How do I say this? I have a little bit of a. I think one of my superpowers is to take complex, complicated things and just break them down into the most simplest form, because that's how my brain works, right? My brain can't really, you know, go at such complicated things like at one time. So I like to, you know, simplify stuff, right? And I can do complicated and complex stuff, but I like to break it down in the most simplest form. And, you know, that for trading means I don't really need indicators or want indicators, because it confuses me a little bit. I don't like having things all over the place. I like things nice and neat and, you know, clean. So that's why I don't use indicators. And and plus I obviously found out a way that you don't need them, right? You don't need them at all. Clearly you don't need them to be profitable and make money. Some of you guys have seen us trading with no indicators now. We've been live streaming since February. Never used one indicator on my chart. And I just think it works best for me and the way I like to view my charts and the way I like to learn. But indicators are great, you know, for those who for those who use them and it helps them. You know, whatever indicator you need, use it by all means, right? Yeah, I'm not against indicators. I just think they don't work well for me. And at the end of the day, if you remove all the indicators and all the drawings, what do you have left? Just candles. So that's why I decided to devote a lot of my time and mental energy understanding and learning candles. And I think over the last 2.5 years, that's something I've done really well, is learn these candlesticks, right? Because at the end of the day, that's what you have, right? When all the indicators and all the make-believe lines and ranges, those are all invisible lines, right? Not everyone has those lines and ranges. But, you know, I think I've just been able to be able to develop a good eye and understanding for what candles are saying. And that's been able to, you know, pay the bills. Yeah, if people have the skill, no matter what, they'll trade. Yep, exactly. TK hitting us with some inspirational quotes here today. Let's go. Love it, bro. Love it. Stop lying, use the EYS. Yeah, that's the only one I do use, is the EYES indicator. You just got to search that one up, and that's the only one you need. I use ACAP. Yeah, ACAP. Shiro. Professional candle trader. Speak more about GJ. All right, let's talk more about GJ real quick. So pound yen is in a range here, right? I think we're waiting for NFP as well. We have a new monthly candle. It did close bullish. Let's look left. It closed bullish right here, so we should be good to continue up. I think we'll see a push down here this month to create that, you know, bottom wick. Taking a look at the weekly time frame, we are bearish, right? We did create a resistance here, and we did create a top wick. If we do break the low, then you may see price come down. If we don't really do much today, then I would expect price next week to, you know, be able to probably give you or give us a celery play coming down to retest the lows here, right? So that's a possibility for this week or next week, but we are pretty bearish based off the weekly. We are also pretty bearish based off the daily time frame. Now the daily time frame did close kind of right at this support. We are bearish though, but we also do have another support right here, right? So we are bearish. We will look for sells today, but we will also be open for buys. So taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, we notice that there is a range right here that we're trading in, and this is your range, right? You have a support, you have a resistance, support, resistance. This is the range that we're currently in. If we do get a breakout of that range, I do believe you will see price continue down here today, right, to fill that wick to the left hand side and continue down, right, kind of push through these supports and go ahead and fill that wick. And then whether or not it wants to actually stay down there is another thing, but I do believe if we close below, we should fill that wick here. So that's what I'm looking at here on the 4-hour. If we look at the 1-hour time frame, 1 hour has a resistance up here at 184.500, and then you also have you know, a support here. So let's see if this candle can pull back and give us a nice wick to fill. Then it looks like you have a nice range here coming down for about 12 pips. So I think below these supports will work out a lot better for pound yen, and screw the 12 pips. We'll look to trade in this range here. If you get a closure coming down, you should be good till about 183.700 here. So nice wick to fill. I believe that is the daily wick. Yeah, somewhere as we break the low, come down and start filling that wick there. So that's what I'll look at, and then I'll look to take buys above, probably buys above here, 184.570. Yeah, fake out, potential fake outs right in this range, and then buys above there. So pretty simple. Fake outs for sells, clean sells below, and then you got clean buys above here. Just like that. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on GJ. GJ's nice, right? We're getting new ranges here. So we were talking about that. Me and John were talking about that yesterday. Me and Sam, I think, yes, me, John, and Sam were talking about that too a few days ago. That price action is starting to look better there. What guy TK? Hey, you know, that's actually pretty funny. When you put that guy TK with a W in the front, it just says what guy TK. That's crazy. Buy gold. Sounds like who's the first? What up, X-Football only? Hey, where is everyone today? Everyone took Friday off, huh? Taking Friday off? What time frame is my entries? It all depends. Usually anywhere from 15, 30 to 1 hour. Yeah, but look at this 30-minute candle, right? What do we talk about? This 1 hour time frame just slowing up here, right? And now you see a nice exhaustion wick. I think it gave it one more attempt. Yeah, it's 15 pumped up and then now closed bearish, right? So 30-minute is bearish as well here. We do have news coming up. So we got 10 minutes left on the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute candles. So we'll see what happens, right? I think if we get a close below, you may have an opportunity there, but we may just wait for news. I think that may be the best option here today. Oh, Sam is in the building. What up, Sammy boy?
What's going on, Nick? What's going on, Zoom? What's going on,
what's
chat?
going on?
Now we got a new month, baby. Let's go.
Yes, sir. New month. Is it cold in the Penti today?
A little bit. I don't know. I just was feeling the hoodie.
The hoodie,
the AC
baby.
was blasting.
Yes, sir. Just came to the live. Probably most probably you discussed about my Forex funds. I was in a challenge. Guess we're yeah. I was talking to my buddy too before the stream. I was like, "Hey, guess what do you think the number one question on the live streams are going to be today?"
Yeah, really. Yeah, apparently they got served that notice first week of July.
Yo, that's crazy. Where'd you hear that?
Someone posted a thing on Twitter that showed the notice.
Damn, that ain't right.
I was like, dang. Yeah, because then so it was like it had the notice, and then it had a screenshot of their promotion they ran. It was like I forget what it was. I think it was like 15% off.
Wow.
And some other.
I didn't see that promotion.
Let me see if I can't find it real quick. You guys want my opinion
Taken
on what
down.
happened with MFF?
Yeah, let's hear it.
I mean, I don't really know. I don't really have one because it's just like.
Did you hear my opinion?
Just kind of happened. Yeah.
I mean, what else could we do?
Exactly. You know, that's
Right.
what I mean. That's how I feel. That's how I feel too. You know what I mean? And that's just how it's gonna be with anything. You know, you just gotta find a new way. It's just like, whether it's. Because what are your options? Cry about it, or what can you do next? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like Unique said, they don't want to see us win, but they can't stop it. They can't stop it. They can't stop us from winning, right? Either way, my mentor, I'll never forget. The words are engraved in my mind. Find a way to win. Find a way to win. You always have to seek solutions. And you can't dwell on things outside of our control.
Do I trade with MFF? Yeah, I had a 50K account, but I've been more focused on Funny Trader anyways, just like Nick has been since like early July.
Yep. In worst case, I will just put money into another account. You know, I'll just trade a personal live account, and I'll let the whole funded thing cool down and then get back into it later.
Yeah, worst comes to worst, it's like start with like $1,000 on a live account. Like even like if you ever, I'm not saying you, but anybody, like just because you have the skill, right? So like you were saying earlier, just focus on the skill, especially if you guys don't have it already. Or don't even worry about it. You have nothing to even worry about. If you didn't lose anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Focus on the skill. Focus on the craft. Just focus on being better.
Yeah, the only one thing I feel bad about is those who have just purchased challenges and then those who have payouts that they're supposed to get. Like that's chalked, bro. Like
yeah.
And listen, I've been saying that from the jump, right? That's the only thing at risk is your initial upfront capital, and worst case, you don't get a payout, right? I've always said that that was the risk that of trading with prop firms. But that's a little bit better than you putting $50,000 in a live account and them shutting that down, right? Or, you know, some people have millions of dollars. There was a brokerage that just went down recently where people had millions of dollars, like super popular, well-named, well-established broker that went down, right? So like we were saying earlier, you know, this game is a risky game, you know, so you just gotta weigh out the pros and cons, weigh out the RR, and make the most calculated and logical decisions for yourself.
Right. Yeah, just like TK said, like, you always gotta look at the positive light, you know? At least you were waiting for your payout. Then that's the only thing you lost, right? If that was a live account, you'd have lost all of your money and
Yeah.
you know, your withdrawal or whatever.
Oh yeah. But like I said, I'll trade on this 400K account. I'll continue to trade on it, but worst case, I will probably just load up a live account, you know, with like 40 or maybe 50,000, and I'll just trade that. The likes are rigged. 1.4 watching, 380 likes. Hey, yo. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. We would appreciate that. We do all this for free. The only thing we ask is that you like our content and you share it. That's all. And subscribe to the channel. How can they just shut down? Yeah, man. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, I have accounts with Dominion Markets, KOT. There's another one that I have an account with as well, but I haven't used them, right? I've just been trading my live 100K account for a while. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey, GJ looking swell. GJ looking nice these days. It's like when you break up with your girlfriend and then all of a sudden she starts going to the gym, getting in good shape, acting nice again. And then you're like, honey, I'm back. Henko, yeah, Henko I've heard of as well. So for our style of trading, you really want to find a pair that has, you know, good liquidity, good spreads. You know, for me, I'd rather pay more in commissions than have higher spreads, because we want our entries where we want them, right? We want precise entries. So, you know, I'd rather pay more commissions on a broker than pay for spread. So I'll look into it, see which one. Like I said, I love KOT. They've been great to me. They've been a great broker. My only issue with them is now I've been using MT5 for so long, I really don't want to go back to MT4, right? So that's the only thing. Other than that, they're dynamite. They're good reputation as well. But we'll see. We'll take a look at a few different ones. I know Hank goes there. I know what's that other one? Hero? I think it's Hero. Hero, maybe. There's a bunch of good ones. Shiro got a broker. Yo, I miss GJ. Yeah. If you're waiting for a payout with my Forex funds, will you get it or not? I don't know, man. I don't work for the company, you know, so I'm not too sure. But by the looks of it right now, everything is frozen from what they have said until the 11th of September here. So another 10 days, you know, and then we'll kind of have more information, I believe. Shiro brokerage. Hero FX is a good broker. Lambo, I will use it as well. Yeah. But that doesn't mean they're like good. Like, so remember, like those guys trade differently than us, right? They trade a little bit more intraday, so they don't care about spreads. So I would love to find a broker with really good spreads. Dominion Market's good. My only issue with them though is their 4-hour candle and their liquidity. But other than that, like, I like them, but I'm really looking for something with really good, really tight raw spreads.
Yeah, I wish they had IC markets in the US.
Oof. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
The spreads go crazy. Hero FX does RJA. Hero FX charge $8 per one lot. See, now if the spreads aren't like, I would, me personally, be cool with a $8 per one lot if I'm constantly at like a one, just like a little bit over one pip spread for gold. Like if it's like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, I would be cool with $8 per lot because those are good spreads for gold. Athens, I've heard of those. I've never used them.
Yeah, I've heard of Athens too. Yeah, one pip spreads on gold would be perfect.
Yeah.
2 pips, I don't even want 2 pips. 8 cap is great. Yeah, I'm using 8 cap now here. So their spreads are good, right? Like right now their spreads on gold are 1.2 pips. We're gonna watch the spread on NFP here too. And yesterday we were watching it. I have my Forex Funds account up along with this one, and yeah, my Forex Fund had like 3 pip spreads, where the 8 cap had one pip. So Osprey, heard of them too.
Yeah, they've been around for a while.
Icy Markets, yeah.
I see markets, yeah. Pepperstone, I've also heard of them. They've been around for a long time.
Yeah.
But I don't think they're in the US either. Sam, you start trading around when Nick did? Yeah.
News coming out here. News is coming out in a few. Get ready for the... Get ready for... Oh, look at this. This is horrible. 1,518 and 483 likes, man. The math just don't add up there. Let's see if we can get to 900 to 1,000 likes. Can we do that, gang? Can you guys like the stream? Give the stream a like for us. So
Yeah,
you can
they're
help
sleeping
some...
on Friday.
So you can help a lonely trader out there looking for a live stream. There's a lonely trader right now searching up on YouTube, and they can't find a live stream. But your one like can go towards bettering that lonely trader's future. So just like the stream now, and you will be rewarded in the future.
Yeah, it's good karma if you like the stream. Oh, welcome, Bubble.
Bubble.
From Taiwan. That's awesome. Used to be that lonely trader? Yeah, exactly. Don't you love it here? I love it here. I love everybody in the chat.
He used to be that lonely trader, someone said. And
Yeah.
look at that. Someone's like got you here.
Exactly. That was someone's like. So pass it forward. If you're here, it's because someone else is like. Pay it forward. It's good. And if you've learned anything here today, or if you haven't subscribed yet and you've been here, hit us with the subscribe too. Hit us with a subscribe and hit the bell too.
Hey, yo, yeah, sub to the channel.
Sub to the channel, yeah.
Sub to the channel.
Sub to
Hey,
the
we're
channel.
creeping on 20K. Good morning, Johnny boy.
What's going on,
Morning,
John?
boys.
How we feeling
It's good.
today?
How we doing?
How was your
Feeling
flight?
good. Feeling good. It was good.
You had a good
Smooth,
flight?
Safe flight. Yeah, it was good.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
What
Yep.
time did you fly out yesterday?
Left around like 9:40.
OPM.
Yeah, PM.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, my flight got delayed like 30 minutes.
That's awesome. Yeah, surprised
Yeah.
got home. With the
Yeah.
big-
Yeah, I landed at like 12, 13. Got home around like 2 and then
Late
knocked.
night. Late night flight.
Morning chat. What's up? Morning everyone in Zoom. Happy Friday.
So I guess you no longer have an account with my Forex funds, pal.
Nope.
Onto the funded trader, huh?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you gotta
Lovely.
do what you gotta do, right?
So yeah,
Yes,
chat.
sir.
All he does is adapt.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's all you can do.
That's it. I create the way in life, you know?
Yes,
Absolutely.
sir. Just got here. I liked and subbed. Hey, yo, thanks. W. Let's go. Hey, we got another sub here, gang. We got
Let's
another
go,
one.
baby.
We got
Welcome to
another
the
one.
team, baby.
Welcome, welcome.
Love you.
Who else trying to join the team?
tell your
Join the
friends,
squad.
tell your cousins. Should we do another giveaway at 20K? We'll give away a live account.
Give away an MFF account.
We're giving away a My Forex Funds account. Let's see here. I just joined. Hey, I just joined right now. Can you explain your trading strategy? Oh man.
But
He said play. All right, we'll play it. No, I don't know. I think I might have deleted that one actually.
oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, by mistake. Saeed!
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
There's zero strategy here, man.
Hero.
It's the positive energy and God talk for me. Hey, man, yeah, listen, God will always provide a way. I think you guys are a little nervous, a little quaky because you're trying to figure this thing out on your own. When God's already got a plan for you, gang, right? The plan is already put in place, right? You just got to keep a positive attitude and a positive outlook so you can find the secrets, right? You can find the doors to open that God has for you. And when God opens a door, no man can shut that door. Right? So it doesn't mean no funding company can shut that door, right? If they're destined, if there's a plan in place over your life to succeed here in trading, nothing will stop God's plan. Nothing.
Amen.
Zip.
Yes, sir.
So true.
Zilch.
You take everything away from me, at least I have God at the end of the day.
Amen.
That's all I need.
Facts.
They know it was different with me. God's plan.
Yeah.
YOLO
Because
trade.
without him, none of this is even happening anyways.
Yeah.
For real.
God, dude. Yeah, Bubble. Got Bubble knows. Bubble knows.
Where's Bubble? Where's Bubble? It's like my daughter. That's one of the new words my daughter says is bubble.
And Muffin.
And muffin. And yellow.
He actually says that one really good.
Yeah. Amen's in the chat. Amen's in the chat. Which broker do I use for my Forex funds? ACAP. I mean, the funded trader, ACAP. No fear. Zero fear. Fear and faith can't live in the same atmosphere. Come on, gang. You either got one or you got the other. Lukewarm, you get spewed right out, man. You got to pick a side.
Heard.
Nick, your 100K count gone, brother? Poof, gone. No, I still have it though. It's just frozen. So I guess you can say it's gone. Why not go with FTMO? Yeah, go with FTMO. Go with FTMO seems the best, right? They are the top dog for a reason. Nick's got to get a job at Wawa now. Yeah, I'm gonna go work part time at Wawa and save up for some live capital. Yeah, there's a Wawa down the block, so yeah, I can I'll walk to work or something.
I'll see you when I go get my pulled apart quesadilla.
Is your new funded account with FTMO? No, it's with the funded trader. Why did the account get frozen? All my Forex funds accounts have been frozen. We're gonna be eating chicken fingers and mac and cheese every day this week, Green. Borrow some money from Sam Capital.
I got you, bro.
You got me, bro?
Yeah, pull up to the bank.
Alright.
She banking on me, I'm the bank.
Hey.
Refer me when you get the job. Me and Green are gonna be the new workers at Wawa over here. We're gonna kill the Wawa game. I used to buy and sell candles, now I just work for Wawa. No stop loss.
Go work at Wawa. All the mods, everyone.
Yo, all
crazy, just Wawa, dude. It's like that we would have the best 5-star. It'd be crazy.
What the facts?
Gotta do everything the best.
Yeah. We'll have our own lingo too, like, hey yo, quaking later.
yeah. Instead of saying like, oh, we need eggs with the cheese and then this, that.
I need that juicer made ASAP.
Have a sandwich called the Pack Runner.
Too funny. What's the biggest trade you won? It was about 10K, like 9,900. I was trying to get to 12K, but I went down to 99. I was take it. Thank God you bought the new 400K with the funded trader. Oh yeah, right? Yeah. Thank God. We need Wawa in Texas. Oh, there you go. Maybe we'll start a Wawa then, boys. All mods. Who wants to work at Wawa for? Nick, look at GJ. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, I'm not trading GJ this week. Maybe next week, but we'll take a look at it here. What are we looking at, brother? What are we looking at? Support right here. Nick is the only one being 10%. Yeah, yo, I think I scammed my Forex funds this time. That's actually pretty funny. Wawa meet up soon? Yeah, I think, we could do that. Have you traded crypto or only Forex? Hey, there's Bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. No. I think I've taken one trade on Bitcoin. One trade. It was a winning trade. Never touched it again. All the mods will be Wawa workers. Can we check oil? Yeah, let's take a look at oil. We got 15 minutes before NFP comes out, so we'll hang tight. Let's check oil. Let's take a look at oil here. So oil is pushing up pretty nicely on the weekly time frame here, right? 1 day left. I think if you get a closure above here today, then, man, you got clean traffic coming up for all next week, right? So if you can get a candle to close above the range here today, I think next week you'll be able to see a very nice push to the top side here on oil, retesting these highs up here, and should be a nice clean range to trade in. If you're looking for positions today, Very, very bullish, right? Pretty bullish based off of the daily close of yesterday. One thing we have is a resistance right here, right? So that's not saying that we will reject it, but it's there, right? So we have to just kind of recognize that there is a daily resistance right here, and it's right where current price is. So I think today's closure is going to be very important for oil, the weekly and daily close, because if we can close above those ranges, then next week it looks really clean, right? So, but you know, we're not there yet. We're here today. So if we look at the 4-hour candle close with no top wick, we've been running up for quite some time. I would expect to see somewhat of a pullback here, right? And if we get a pullback, maybe somewhere in this range right here, where you have some of this resistance right here, right? So maybe we get some sort of a pullback on and then where's the daily, right? Yeah, and that would give us a daily bottom wick as well, and then start, you know, continuing up here for the day. So I would wait for a little bit of a pullback here on oil, and then wait for a support to be formed, and wherever that happens, that's going to be a good opportunity for you to look for more buys. So maybe we see some sort of push down, right? Come back into this range, give the daily a bottom wick, and then you create support, and then you could look to take your buys, or I would look to take my buys now, coming back up as price makes its way up. So that's those are my thoughts on oil. Wait for that support to be formed, and then look to take your buys. Get the Quaker. Buys and sales. What up, Daniel? What type of account do I have with the funded trader? It's a Royal 400,000. What's so funny, Green? What's so funny?
Read. Odd God.
Drop a like pre NFP. Yeah, if you're looking forward to seeing this move here on NFP, drop a like on the stream and sub to the channel. The funded trader's next. Yeah, we'll see. My plan is if the funded trader goes down, I will I'll just open up a live account, right? My own personal account. And then I'll wait for all this to blow over, see what decisions they make, right? Because what would that mean? That would mean the prop firm industry is in consolidation, right? And if the prop firm industry is in consolidation, well, then we've got a range, right? And we want to see that range break. So just like we wouldn't trade consolidation, I would just wait for the breakout, right? I would wait for the decision. So I'll continue trading my live account, right? All throughout this process. And then once we say, okay, we're good to go, right? Then I will enter back into the prop firm space to take this thing to the highs, right? And cash out some more payouts and make some more money. And if we are consolidating, I'll just use my my personal funds. Simple.
You gotta be able to adapt, right? Make a way for yourself, right? If anything's stopping you, you can still make a way. You just gotta figure out that way. You figure out that way by understanding. You got it, right? There's a way to get to where you want to get to. You just gotta, adapt, and you'll find it. You believe you can do it. The how to do it will start to come into action.
Yeah.
Yeah, if there's a will, there's a way.
Exactly.
Any prop firms in Mexico? Do you know Anthony or Derek? If you're referring to the Arizona boys, then yeah. Yeah, I know Derek. Me and Derek are pretty cool. Anthony, I've only spoke with him a few times, but we're setting up a podcast with Anthony. So yeah, Derek's the homie though. The boys in Arizona. Just sub to your channel, bro. Hey, what's up, Mark? Good to have you here, man. Good to have you. Thanks for subbing to the channel. I hope this channel helps you out and you learn a lot. And any questions you have, bro, do not hesitate to ask them in the chat. Be more than happy to help you out. We could rent a place in Mexico. Yo, that's why I love this guy, TK, man. This guy got great ideas.
TK, he's smart. Smart man.
He is a pretty smart guy. Not gonna lie. What time is it coming out? If you're referring to the news, 8:30. So about 7 minutes here.
Yeah, it'll be interesting NFP. I'll say that. I do want to see a better than expected NFP, just because we haven't seen the labor market suffer too much yet, and the ADP NFP, I don't know, I feel like sometimes it'll throw like,
Oh wow.
random calculations. So on Wednesday I feel like the numbers that we saw were just like,
Interesting.
it was like one of those times. Yeah,
Someone said
Yeah.
my Forex funds just announced they're refunding all traders, including their profit splits. Let's go.
Oh wow,
let's go. Yeah, that's
I didn't see that anywhere.
Matt Rife joked on Derek. It was funny. He was a good sport. Oh, nice. I don't know who that is, but they offer full refund and profit splits. Wow, good stuff. Well, that's good news.
full refund on people that are in challenges right now, or what?
Yeah, that's what anyone who's bought a challenge probably. So there you go. You're gonna get your 10% payout now. Source, trust me, bro. Will I trade the news release or after? I will trade after if we have opportunities.
Yeah, after. And I think that'll be a great idea, because if we do see a good release here today on NFP, then we'll see price probably spike up, happen in the ranges up towards like 47, 48, 1947, 1948, and then see if we can get an onion play. That would be what I want to see today.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
And that would be nice, and that would go with the daily bias as well.
That would be nice.
Do you guys ever disagree on trade ideas from one another? Not really. I don't think we've ever have. No, right?
Nah, that's why I love working with you guys.
Yeah, I think everything's pretty
Seriously.
much very similar.
We have the same playbook, so it's like, why would our
Yeah,
strategy be
exactly.
different? You know what I mean? So it's like we're always on the same page.
Yep. Even while we were testing ideas out in July and August, we were still all familiar with what we were doing, why we were doing it, like, and just going through that, you know, testing process together. So that was dope. That was a good experience. And we
Yeah.
found out, you know, a lot of good things, right? We took away a lot of good things, and there was also some, you know, things that we didn't like, right? Some results that we seen from the data that didn't really make sense to keep doing. So, you know, we stopped doing those things, and we're going to continue to do the things that worked. So yeah, we're pretty much very well in sync as a crew up here.
It's
Oh,
just
yeah.
business.
Yeah.
Sure.
Flip on GJ. Flip it. I'm on their website. It doesn't say any false hope.
Sources are, trust me, bro, Dwayne Johnson's hair. That's funny.
That's too funny.
Yeah.
GJ,
Dwayne Johnson's
I'm
hair.
not leaving. I'm not leaving. Oh, still no bottom wick on the 4 hour too. Let's keep an eye on this.
Yeah, that'd be beautiful.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
See if
Still
this
new.
like current one drives up into like where the wicks are, and then if it comes down and flips, get that onion. Just wait on it. See.
Jokes on you.
Playing
You all
trade,
got
trade.
scammed. No refunds.
Funny guy.
Joe
So funny.
Biden
Oh,
intelligence. Don't listen to
Lemon's
Lemon.
trolling.
He's-
You're not
Yeah,
that guy,
lemon
pal. Trust me.
trolling.
You're not that
I'm
guy.
trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, give me 1 sec. We got 2 minutes. Give me 1 minute.
Oh, 2 minutes before news. Yeah, who's gambling?
Who's going to the casino?
Who's going to the casino? I know some of y'all are.
Too bad NFP wasn't yesterday. Before the MFF thing happened, I know a lot of people would have went to the casino if they still had their,
Word.
if they knew that that was gonna happen.
Yeah, facts. Everyone be full margin. Yeah, we got gamblers.
We do a little gambling.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, see, this is I just like to watch the news. See with what I know about the news is gonna come out, and if it comes out exactly like how I see it, then it's like boom, all right, cool. Now I have like 100% win rate set up. Not
Yeah.
actually, but that's what it feels like. That's what it feels like.
Yeah.
All right, 53 seconds. Time to gamble. Who's gambling here today?
Sure. I am. Do a little trolling.
Gamble
See
your
if we get the onion, Cheryl.
TTG.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm excited to see the onion.
Watch me pass my challenge in 10 seconds. All right, what are you taking? Buy or sell? Let us know. Claude, let us know. Hurry, 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 hurry. 20 seconds. 20 seconds, 20 seconds.
Buys or
You
sells?
buying or
Come on.
selling? Biohazard. I'm gambling news today, Nick. Sorry. He's sells. All right, it sells. Let's see what happens here. Oh.
Ooh, y'all got.
Oh.
Yo. Yo. Now we come down at this.
Rude.
Oh my God, all the sellers. Ay, ay, ay.
See what the news came out to be.
Oh,
This shit just
fireworks
exploded.
show. I took buys. Yeah. I meant to say buys.
Yeah, I said sorry.
Ooh, see, unemployment rate is up another
Yeah, let's take a look.
0.3%. NFP is
Sheesh.
still pending. Why is it pending? Give me the numbers.
NFP.
Yeah, so see, we did have a decent NFP, but the unemployment is what did that. Boom. So let's
Yeah.
see, gold might just keep moving up here.
Yup.
And see, so that's the unemployment
Holy.
for like the whole month, right? That's the unemployment rate. Like we get the
We getting this monthly top
the
wick
claims?
for the pack runner.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I wanted to see, honestly. I was thinking,
Oh.
because I was looking at the charts yesterday. And I was like, oh man, like that's the only thing
Yeah.
that I
I
want to
was
see.
thinking
Like,
that when I saw it.
we could get a monthly, like if it could make a top wick for the last monthly candle, and then start to come down.
That'd be
Oh, it'd be
lovely.
It's all up in that weekly rejection,
Yeah.
all them wicks. See, let's see.
Pushing.
Thing might
pushing.
keep rocket shipping, boys.
Yeah.
Shit's Joseph.
You got
I think
clean
it's gonna keep
buys.
driving, yeah.
Clean buys above
Joseph.
1953 here too.
Oh, yeah.
About to start foaming.
We love to gamble. What is TK?
Right.
Very clean, bro.
But see, that's all we can do is use previous news. So, the last month's unemployment, we were down. July, there was no change. June, it was up a little. May, it was down. April, it was down. Right. So it's like there's only been 1 month where we saw it, where it was a little bit up. And if we use all of the other previous employment data, it's all, we haven't seen any really bad numbers, right? So that was unexpected. So, and that's why we just wait, right? Because then it's like, now we can just wait and see what the candles do. And if we get a playbook set up, then we just execute, right? Because we need the playbook set up to execute anyways. We use the news for extra confluence, extra comfort, you know, extra strength, extra bias, extra confirmation, if you want to say.
Is gold a sell now? No, it was at 1953. Yeah, you should have sold right there. So all you guys had the Funded Trader? Yes, we all have the Funded Trader account. Well, that was the fireworks show here. So if we can get a pullback, that'd be awesome.
Hey, pace.
You guys not taking any trades? Yeah, when we get a trade, we'll take it. We haven't gotten a trade yet.
Yeah, it's up to the charts, brother.
Look at GJ. What are we looking at? Talk to me. Talk to me. What are we looking at? Talk to me. You got 70 pips? Oh, good, good, good.
Lemontron.
Oh,
Well, will depend on if you're taking a trade. I need to see my playbook setup show up. So we'll see when this candle closes, how we looking. We'll have a new 4-hour candle. So I think as long as the 4-hour candle closes like above this area here, then I think price will continue up, right? You got clean ranges now coming up. Clean ranges coming up. So you got a lot of room to drive here if price does want to move up, which it seems like it does.
yeah.
Yeah, you broken previous daily highs.
Yeah. Smoke those daily highs there.
Yeah, them things got cooked.
Got cooked.
Not today.
If we get a candle to close 1955, 55, all up here. Yeah, yeah, looks good. Yeah, you got clean. Look at all this clean range here on the 4 hour. Clean range. Right? All clean traffic here. The only thing we would pretty much look out for is probably this area right here. Right? And that's an area in which we can move stops to break even. Close partials, right? And then keep going. So you can hold, I'll probably hold full if anything throughout this yellow box. Close partials up top, and then you know, try and hold for the remainder of the range here. So we'll see what happens. We could see a very, very nice push here on this lovely Friday. GJ filling the wick. Very nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice push down here on pound yen. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, you should come down, fill that wick, tap into 183, 700 here. Nice 25 pip move. To be honest, I'm a noob at trading, but I use some EMA start and up 100% on a normal live account. Could be luck. Oh, nice. Real talks. Let's go. Nice. You're in, GJ? Good job. Good job, Laurent. Yeah, I would take partials right now. Right there, right above that wick fill. Boom. Took partials. Let's go. Yeah, you should see let's see the 4 hour time frame here on GJ. Oh yeah, looks good. Yeah, you should come on down. You may start pulling back around 8:45 here to leave a wick fill. So if you guys are holding, I would maybe secure some profits there as you approach this support level down here, because 8:45 may give you the pullback to leave a wick here for the 4 hour time frame. Would you suggest buy a new funded account or make your own personal? I would suggest don't do anything for the remainder of the weekend. Chill out for the weekend. Let's see if any other news comes out about all this, and then, you know, let your emotions dwindle down a bit, and then I think it would be smart to make a decision somewhere around Sunday night.
Advice.
Push in, GJ. This is good. I'm actually excited about trading GJ again, because look at all these ranges that we've created now. All this clean traffic now. Awesome. You can't take a look at, yeah, Lemon's trolling. Lemon likes to do a little trolling. Just pray on it.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Guy said it seems to be a temporary glitch.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Yeah, dude, strong.
Tapped.
Turn on freeze option.
Is this the way you found or you learned from someone? I am really curious. What do you mean, the trading style? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, if you're talking about the trading style, yeah, I learned it from someone else. And then I just kind of put my own little twist to it. Bruh. Oh, nice rejection. Can we get a wick fill here?
You look at this.
Just look at it. Yeah, did Don mentor you, Sir Nick? Yes, I learned a lot from Don. I also learned a lot from Raja. So those are the two guys which I learned trading from, and then I just put my own spin on it, my own experience on it. And yeah, but most of my ideas were generated from Raja and Don. What name would you call your strategy? What strategy?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Zero strategy.
No strategy.
Thanks for the invites or the info. I admire your style, Nick. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And give the stream a like if you haven't liked it already. Give the stream a like as we're just gonna sit here now. We're just gonna wait. Right, we got the last 15-minute candle coming up. So that's the last 15 candle of the 4-hour. So we're gonna wait here on the 4-hour time frame to close up, and we'll see what we got going on, where we're at, and then we'll look and see if we can get some positions. No strat here.
Can do.
Holy. My Forex funds shook up the whole industry.
Seriously. We really did.
What do you think about what happened to my Forex funds? Yeah, we've been talking about that pretty much the whole session. So. Rakil. Uh-oh. Took a loss. Oh. Where's Scott? Scott here today? Scotty boy here? Yeah. Playing chess out here, not checkers. There he is.
Scotty boy.
There's Scotty boy. What up, Scott? What up, Scott?
Got the man.
How you feeling, Scott?
Up, bro.
Watt in the building. Scott, like the stream.
Gotta go in the room.
Where's Joey Stew at? Joe still here?
Report to the Zoom.
Report to Zoom immediately.
Oh, Stu, report. Zoom.
By request of Sam Capital.
Joe still report to Zoom immediately. Immediately, bro. How we doing on likes?
Links valid.
Links valid today. Oh, look. Oh, we're almost at hey, chat quick. Look at chat right now. We're almost at 1,000 here. Good stuff. Thank you guys, man. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We should have some positions coming up here, so we gotta wait.
Patient.
We gotta wait just a little bit longer.
That's what we're waiting for.
Sweet.
Yeah, guess what we're doing here, chat? We are exercising the discipline muscle, right? Every time you exercise this muscle, it begins to get stronger and stronger. Who wants to be more disciplined, right, in their trading? Anybody else want to be more disciplined, more professional, more profitable? Because profitable traders are disciplined traders.
Sir.
So you want to exercise that discipline muscle any chance you can. Not a lot of people have discipline, man. That's why if you got discipline, you separate yourself from the masses. Big time. Yeah. I wonder what happens if you try and copy a trade. Oh, try it out. Try it out. Already setting it up. GJ buy? No
Already tried
way.
it out.
Does anyone have any feedback on the funded FX? No, I've never used them, so I can't give you any honest feedback there.
Does something happen to them too? Nah, right?
Are you still able to trade your MFF account? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I think I'm the only guy that didn't get their account frozen in the whole company. I think they just love me over
everyone
there
else
at my
frozen?
Forex funds.
This guy Nick Stewart. Let's keep his account. Don't freeze his.
They just love me over there at the headquarters. Say, yeah,
His
guy,
account
that's a nice
do
guy,
nothing.
man. He's a nice guy. You know, he helps a lot of people. We'll let his account roll. Oh, my birthday's today. Give me wishes to be disciplined and a patient trader. Hey, happy birthday. And hope this year you are disciplined and patient. I really do.
B-Day, bro.
Happy birthday.
Push for discipline and patience.
Birthday on a Friday? Okay. Okay.
Hey, yo, what you doing? What you doing tonight?
What's the word? What's the move? What's the B-Day move?
No.
Say how. Is there a way I could look at your monthly spreadsheet? Yeah, just hit exclamation point journal. Luigi, I think, right? Luigi, yeah. And yeah, you can see all of our trades. So every trade we've taken. You can see our 85 wins, our 25 losses, and our 9 break evens for the year. They're all in the journal, and you can go back and watch them on the live streams as well. Everything has been documented. Birthday on NFP. Oh, are we gonna pull back here or what? 15-minute candle ripping. How about GJ? 15 not doing much here. Yeah, we're waiting on 4-hour closures here. Once we get a 4-hour close, we'll have some direction and then we can see where we're going. Yeah, if you get a 4-hour closure above 1950 here, I think that's pretty smooth to continue up. So let's see. $200 on GJ. Good start to the weekend. Let's go. Wish you a winning trade. Thank you, Muhammad. Appreciate that, man. Don't. Floating negative 370. Uh-oh. Don't worry, you got this. Why am I being censored? Oh, you got your gunner glasses. Nice. Good stuff. Raja Bank student you are? Yes. Yup. Do you recommend his course? Yeah, his course is good. Yep. Yeah, I like it. Does your My Forex fund still account or still work? I heard you heard what's going on with them. No. What's going on with My Forex funds?
Sure hope they didn't get shut down or anything.
I hope they're. Don't tell me like the accounts got frozen or something.
Oh my God! Please don't say that.
Please don't tell me they're facing legal issues with a court date.
Please don't say that.
Like 2 weeks away. Who invented magic keys? Is trading this way useful in crypto? Yeah, it could be. I never really tested it much on a lot of crypto pairs, but yeah, as long as you're trading candlesticks and price action, then yeah. What's this? Been threatened by the school. They're gonna call you as if I don't have my 6 kids in class. Told them they homeschooled by Professor Nick Stu. Hey yo, you able to sign some paperwork? That's too funny.
After school, man.
The school of life,
All I
baby.
gotta say.
What else we got? When did you do Raja's course? About 2 years ago. Their accounts are frozen. Court date on the 11th. Oh my goodness. Hero of the day. You're a nice guy, bro. Hey, you're a nice guy, bro. Is that the only course I took? Yeah, pretty much. I took some of you guys may have heard of Swaggy C. I took his course as well. Yeah, that was like and my first course I ever took was Lambo Raul. Yeah, that was when I first started trading. Took Lambo Raul's course, and I learned a good amount from it about candlesticks too. That was a good course. And then from there, I just kind of jumped from like a couple signal providers, and then that never worked out, obviously, because I really didn't know what I was doing, and I wasn't really making an attempt to, learn. But once I got Swaggy's course, that's when I got a little bit more serious, and I loved how he had clean charts, and I just liked him. He was a good teacher, and I traded that way for a little bit, but I got very bored with that style, right? It was just like wait for price to get to a key level, and then wait for it to bounce off a Fibonacci and a moving average, and then place your trade, and then once you place your trade, just go to the gym, go to work, go do the, like just let it run. And for me, I just kind of felt like I wasn't really participating in trading, right? So me, I like this style a little bit more, where I can show up to the desk for X amount of time, do some work, get a win, get a loss, get a break even or a no trade, and then just move on with my day. So I don't like holding trades like throughout the day and overnight and all that stuff. But yeah, then I found Raja. And once I found Raja, everything changed. Swaggy.
That's simple.
Green. Lambo Raoul's. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. It was honestly, I was so new to trading at that point, so. Swaggy's course was good. Yeah, the original course he had was the best one, but he got rid of that one. How long have I been trading? Since 2019. Do you know mini bakes from Market Fluidity? No, I don't. Green feeling some type of way. What course did you do with Raja?
Right.
I basically watch every video that Raja ever put out. So if he put it out, I watched it. And not only did I watch it, I studied the living daylights out of it. How long did it take you to be profitable? It took me about two and a half years. What prop firm is the 400K with? The 400K challenge is with the funded trader. Where can I get Raja's course now? Hey, if you could find it, you can find it. So Raja's the GOAT? Yeah, oh hell yeah. Yeah, I did Market Fluidity, Smart Raja Concepts, and every other video that he's ever put out. I'm on that man like white on rice. I mean, I haven't really watched like a lot of his stuff recently just because I've been kind of doing my own thing, but for the last 2.5 years, everything he's ever put out, I was all over it right away. I tried to look for Raja's course online, but couldn't find it. Hey, if you can find it, you can find it. Alrighty. Got a new 4-hour closure here. Chat.
Nice.
Let me, is it me or is that? So we got a new 4-hour close. Let's get rid of everything here. We did close right at resistance. Right at resistance, we closed on the 4-hour time frame. So that's a bit tough. We did close above the most recent area here, so there is a potential wick fill to take advantage of. But we're gonna sit tight. We're gonna wait on 9:15 here, and then if 9:15 comes out and it looks good for us, then we will take part in positions here today. Let's see how pound yen closed up. Nice 4-hour close here on GJ as well. Obviously, you want to see a top wick, and then you can come on down, retest these support levels down here, which is about a 33 pip range coming down. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's a bit choppy here on the 1 hour. So you need a top wick. Get a top wick, and we'll look for potential opportunities here. Raja and Lambo are they're both doing great in their strategy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, those guys are killing it. This guy's imitating a real student. Yeah, I'm a student to the game, man. I'm a big time student. One thing I'm good at is I'm good at listening to people who are in life where I want to be. And, you know, guys like Raja, those are guys I look up to, you know, in this industry. So, yeah, I've been rocking with them for a while. Yeah, you don't have to like everything about these people, right? Like, you don't have to like everything about someone to learn how they made their money, right? If they make their money very similar to how you make your money, which is trading, right? I don't care what he's doing, right? It don't matter. I just want to focus on, you know, getting the information from the charts, right? Lambo Raul's a swing trader? I have no idea. I'll be honest. I don't even know. How many months do you make profit in Raja's course? I don't know. I wasn't doing the math, to be honest. I'll tell you what, though. I remember when I first started learning the strategy, and I was sitting there with my wife, and the candle closed, and I was like, look, watch, babe. This next candle, it's gonna go down. It's gonna make a little bottom wick there. A boom. It's gonna pull back like a arrow, right? Like an arrow, and then it's gonna flip, and then it's gonna go up. Watch. And yo, price opened up, came down, created a bottom wick, flip, bullish, broke the high, filled the wick. She was like, how did you know that? I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm getting good at this trade thing, babe.
That's a skill. Hey man, it's a skill to predict the charts. For real.
Everyone's frustrated about prop firms. Are you good? Yeah, I'm great, bro. Trust me. Uncle Scalp's the GOAT. Yo. Uncle Scalp, I freaking love you, bro. Sir, will Forex end in 2026?
I was wondering what he said. Yeah, I seen it right when you read it.
Hilarious, yeah.
Wonk.
Wonk in the building.
Sir?
Hop on Zoom, Uncle Scalp? Yeah. Uncle Scalp, if you want to make your way to the podium, let me know. Let me know. What are you going to trade? The funded trader for 400K is blown? No, sir. I have a new 400K account. Boom. Just like that. Brand new 400K account. We got accounts to trade. We do a little trading. It's like a magic trick. All of a sudden, just pulled another 400K out of the hat.
For a small investment.
30-minute celery play? Ooh. Oh, Nightbot, join the Elite program. Gang, the application forms are all set for the Elite program. If that's something that you're looking for to get into that 10-week mentorship program, just click that link and apply, and we'll reach out to you sometime next week. Who's your mentor? Oh my God. Holy. About to break the website. Tons of applications. Bro, you see that? We've got like over 200 applications, I believe, now. You guys are going to make it really hard on us because we only have room for about 20 people. So 25 max. You know Uncle Ted and Capital Hungry? Yeah. If Forex ends, we go to crypto. We're going to crypto. All right, 9:15 coming up here in a few minutes. Let's see how everything pans out here. Perfect bottom wick though.
See what 50 minutes says.
Yes, sir. All knows his mentor, Mr. V. I can develop your website. Oh, we already got it. Thank you, though. Newbie question, what's a funded account? It's an account where companies will give you capital to trade with if you can pass their qualification process. So yeah, let's see how this candle closes. You may have a 15-30 minute celery. Entries would be somewhere around 1950, 712 here. Yeah, not bad. Get blocked from. You keep randomly messaging Mr. V's, huh? What's your idea, bro? We're gonna wait on the 15 closure, and then we may take a 15-minute celery play here. You can't trade, you scammed yourself. What does that mean? What's it mean, man? What's it mean? Will you call GJ on the signals? I'm not taking GJ here this week, but I think we'll go back to trading GJ next week. So yeah. Yeah, everything's looking a lot better here on Pound Yen over the last couple weeks. I think it was a good idea letting putting it on the sideline, giving it a break for what was that, a couple weeks? Yeah, I think it's starting to look better now.
Yeah.
What do you think about EA funding? Never looked into them yet. What's your advice? Now 1.5 months doing FTMO free trial and 1 more month to do is left. Which funded account would you recommend? As of right now, I would recommend like probably FTMO or the funded trader who I'm with. I'm with the funded trader. I also have a My Forex Funds account too, but it's frozen. It's frozen. Yeah, I also have $50,000. I'm almost ready to dump into a live account. So we'll see what happens over the weekend in the prop firm industry, and we'll see. We'll see. All right, lock it in here, chat. Lock it in. We may have a 15-minute celery play here in about 3 minutes. tighten up, lock it in. We ready.
Man, boy.
Bring out the whole ocean. Quaking and baking, baby. Quaking and baking. Oh, wrong account. Here's my frozen account. Holy. I naturally keep going to hit that one. Alright. Yeah, stops are going to be kept below the 15 lows here. Previous 15-minute lows. Entry will be up at the break of the high here, and then, you know, we're going to shoot for this 4-hour wick fill. Two. All right. One minute for the candle to close. And if we don't like it on the 15, we'll look to take it on the 30. You're not that guy. All right. Stocks open? Yeah, pretty soon. Stock market will open in about 20 minutes. Or less than that, right? Yeah, 15 minutes. Alrighty. So yeah, if this candle closes above, I will have some buy stops on the break of the highs. Ooh, we closed slightly below here. There's a level right over here that I'm looking at. Let me go back. Where is it? Yeah, right here. Let's see, how do we close? Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops on the break of the highs here. Buy stops on the break of these highs. Stops are gonna be kept below the 15-minute lows there. Yeah, we got a 15-minute celery play. That looks very clean. We're gonna keep stops below the lows there, so that should be all good. Hey, yo, what's up with my Forex funds? Get out of here, bro. You frozen. You frozen. 5 pip spread. I got 1 pip. I got 1 pip spreads.
5 pip spreads. Sheesh. Crazy.
Mm. All right, so we'll see if we can get activated here. 15 minutes celery, 1 hour breakout. Counting on volume as well to come in just a little while for 9:30 NYSE open here. So we'll see what happens. But it looks pretty clean. Oh my god. $30 pip stops? Yeah, they're going to be about 30 pips, yep. Yeah, what we can do is once we do break the high, we can also keep our stops as the current candle. So if that's the low and we start breaking the highs, we can move our stops and be able to have, let's say, 18 pip stops over, you know, 30 pips. Break even's gonna be I wanna look to fill this wick here. So looking to the left hand side, let's take a look. We really don't have much of a BE point. I would say probably right around these levels here, which is gonna be 151,650. Yeah, if not just hold till the wick fill up here.
Yeah, that 1 hour wick feels clean.
Oh. Yeah, it is. And then worst case, we delete and we wait for 9:30 here. Yeah, I think what I'll do is I will do that actually. So I'm gonna delete this and wait for 9:30 because if we take some time to come back up, I don't want to get activated with like 2 minutes left of the candle. So I'm gonna delete these buy stops here and then we'll reset them at 9:30. Boom. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's hold off. Let's wait for the 30-minute candle to close. If we do get a 30-minute candle closure, that's going to be a lot more confirmation for us as well. And yeah, I like the closures above same area here. So let's see if the 30-minute will close above. If not, because if this 30 doesn't close above, then you may see a push down here, right? You may see a push down to kind of correct some of this move. So let's wait on that and revisit this idea in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. W decision, Nick. Thank you, Cheryl. Time to delete. So if we get activated or if price breaks the high and just starts flying here, you got to understand, right? You got to be comfortable with the decision you made. And if it drives, right? If we do get the 30 closure, we may have a lot better stops as well. So we either got an onion or a celery. All depends on the closure of this candle. Yeah, if we take the 30-minute, it'll pretty much be the same exact trade, only with a lot higher confirmation and probably a better stop loss. Give me a 1 moment.
TK, nah, I haven't.
I've never used one, so I haven't either.
Yeah.
I am the copy trader that I use. I pull up like 4 terminals at once. Really? Yeah. If you're asking me about that, yeah.
Okay.
But I've actually only ever traded 2 accounts at once. Nothing more than that. Anything more than that, I think I definitely would use a copy trader.
A dually. He runs dualies.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. If you can get a resistance on pound yen, then what you can probably see is this 4-hour top wick confirmed, and then you may see another pushback down, right? Say you get a resistance, then we could look to take ourselves. Let's see. Look at GJ. Yeah, this is GJ here. So just wait on a resistance for pound yen. Think the market's waiting for NY open. Yep, definitely could be. I like watching your streams, bro. No cursing, no bad words. I like because it's also blessings. Yeah, awesome. Thanks, Mark. Appreciate that, bro. Will you be able to explain the trade simply when you do it? Yes, of course. Yep, got you. That's what we're here for. Oh, look at this. Broke the 15 lows here. We're going to get a pack runner. Give this candle a bottom wick. What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah.
Shad's in the building. What up, Shad? I'm on the copy trader Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday. High of the day. We're coming downtown. Disturbed. We're coming downtown. Yeah, if we close below, there's a high chance we come down. So we'll see where that's at. Are you trading Monday? Yeah, we'll live stream on Monday. I know it's a bank holiday, right? I think it's like Labor Day or something in the US, but yeah, we'll still live stream on Monday. I don't know if we'll trade, but we'll definitely stream. Minute closure coming up in 3 minutes. Let's take a look left. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Daily rejected that area here. This 1953 zone. A lot of wicks up here too. We tapped into that, pulled back. 4-hour close. It did close up. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, yes. 4-hour close right at resistance. Right at resistance. 1 hour as well. Then you have this range back here, right? So If you can get a closure maybe below this level here, then I think that would be okay. So we got 1 minute for a candle to close here. We got 1,000 likes. We got 1,000 likes. GBP, JPY, yeah, that's just the liquidity that ACAP is using.
Yeah, I was just about to answer that because I wasn't sure. I don't trade GJ.
Yeah, it says it on my broker too. So there was another 30-minute level somewhere. Hold on, let me find that again. Right here.
Who is this Apple version of Forex? GBPJPY?
It's a AI.
Is the imposter?
No, mine says that too. Look, GBPJPYI right there.
The Apple savings account is raw. Yeah, you know the scariest thing about that though is they introduced it right after what happened with Silicon Valley Bank.
All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did close bearish, but we kind of closed in between this range here. Right in between this range that we didn't really want a closure, right? We wanted a closure either above it or below it. And we closed right within it. You know, you don't want to take sells because there's a lot of resistance right here. And you don't want to take buys because you close below that area here. So that gets tough, right, for NYSE open here. So let's I'm going to hold off here. I'm not going to take anything. Not going to take these sells. Not going to have buy stops yet. Let's see what happens off the 15-minute time frame here. But we did close bearish, right, coming down. That may as well be the high of the day. But nothing really confirms that. So just got to wait. But one thing we do know is we do have volume coming in, right? But volume is not the only thing that we're going to need. Yeah. Right, we like volume, but that's not all we're after, right? We want our setup, or we want the playbook to show up, and mixed with volume, that creates a great trade, right? But just trying to chase volume, yeah, it's not professional. Appreciate using your brain. So some of these act like we in a drive-by. No 1K likes, no setup. Yeah, that's probably what happened there. Where we at? Oh, 895. 6. See, we got more viewers, but the likes are still slacking. What RR do I aim for? I aim for anything over a 1-to-1 is pretty straight for me. Yeah, we don't want to take sells here, right? Because we didn't get a confirmation closure below the range, right? We're still very bullish on the we're still very bullish on the daily, very bullish on the 4-hour, very bullish on the 1-hour. 30-minute, we close bearish. 15-minute, we close bearish, but that's not enough for us to make a logical decision here, right? So we got to wait. Or I got to wait. I got to wait. Y'all could do whatever. Do Sam and John like your stream? I don't know. Did you guys like the stream yet?
I do.
I was 192.
Of course.
I remember.
And Sam
was like
remembers
2
what
something.
like he was. 192nd like. Stop playing. Stop playing with him.
You guys see me? I get here in the chat. I watch the breakdown before I even come in here and do anything.
Do you love me, Nick? Yeah, man. Love you, bro. Love all y'all. Man said 192.
We got news at 10.
I don't know. I remember that, bro.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's what we want to see. We want to see support confirmed here on the 15. Look at GJ. Yeah. You wanna wait for that resistance, brother. Just sit tight. Wait on it. Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Just wait. Stop playing. Here comes that 1 hour flip. Stops are a little too steep for us. We can get a much better entry and stop loss if we wait for a 15 close here.
We got news at 10 though.
Yeah, so I think we're probably gonna hold off, right? Probably hold off till news. We got more red folders coming in, and then we'll try and navigate through that. Are you up for a trade 15 minutes before news? Nah, I don't think we'll do it. Right? I mean, you're getting your push up now, so there it goes. Yeah, you should fill that wick here.
That or it's gonna do a 15 packy.
Oh. 1 hour, 4 hour flip.
Yeah, no.
See what happens here.
Just wait on it. Yep.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Oh, what do we got? Nick, just want to say this channel has genuinely transformed my trading. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's good to hear that. Blockchain baller. Good to hear that. Love it, man. That's what the channel's for, right? That's what we had in mind when we decided to open this channel and start this live stream was, you know, let's just teach people what we do, right? How we come to the charts every day as a professional. Let's emphasize patience and discipline because that's what we use, right, to be consistently profitable. And it seems to be rubbing off on a lot of traders. And I'm talking like hundreds of traders, which is really good, which is really, really good. So I'm very, very proud and happy for all you guys, man. You guys are all killing it. W. Thanks to Nick, my kids got food on the table and $1 million in the bank.
Yo.
Howdy, sir. How we doing, Uncle Scalp?
Fantastic. What
Funny
a
brother.
nice day.
Fantastic.
Beautiful day out.
Wonk.
Beautiful.
Hey, Johnny boy.
You meeting up with Johnny Boy and Joe at Burger Loft tonight or what?
Yeah. We're going to get burgers tonight.
I bet, yo.
I'm
pull
jealous. I'm
I was
jealous.
on the phone with Joe. I was on the phone with Joe before.
I'm jealous.
Up. Yo, bro,
Dang.
the food here. Can't wait.
Oh, man. Everyone's quaking about MFF, huh?
Quake.
Bacon.
Major quakage.
Quaking.
There's
Quaking.
major quaking going down in the Forex
Everything's-
industry.
Everything's going to be all right.
Yeah, they need to learn how to think, you know?
It's
If you're
the same
quaking, you
thing.
need to correct your
It's-
thinking.
Yeah, it's the same thing that happened with crypto. It's the same thing, you know? Same exact thing. It's going to be fine.
Uncle Scalp, you fine. Let's go. W's for Uncle Scalp.
Oh,
Oh, man.
Unk.
That boy fine. That boy gorgeous. You think he looks good here? You got to see him in person.
ooh, yo.
Oh, 15 packy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and
Oh,
that's why we
no.
didn't take the buys there, and that's why we didn't take the sells. So some people took sells on the
I was-
opening, got stopped out, and then switched to buys on the break of the high, and then got stopped out.
Yep.
When will you learn?
I was just about to say, bro. Like
We
this is a
took that
great
in July.
example of why
Yeah.
why you gotta listen to the charts, right? Like what are the charts saying? If there's a resistance here, look, rejected. Like, it
Yeah.
doesn't even matter that there was volume, honestly. Like rejected it.
Yeah. If you wanted to buy there, you needed a bullish candle to print to give you an onion play.
Yeah, this
Moving
is no man's land here, right? Closures within here is no man's land. Nothing we can do there. So once we get direction, that's gonna be much better.
Yes, sir.
But remember, gang, remember where the 4-hour candle closed, right? 4-hour candle closed right at resistance. So there's a very high probability that if we do get bearish confirmations off the 30-minute 1 hour and they can close below here, then there's a very high probability that we come down to retest that support. Right now we do have news in our way here, but I would probably anticipate seeing that happening here, right, and coming on down. So we'll see. All depends on the closures, right? Anything in this zone is just chalked. Oh, we got W's in the chat, eh? W's. We need some likes on the stream. There you go. Yeah, we need some likes. Like it up, chat. There's a sea of mods over here. It closed above. Zoom in. Closed above what?
That packy.
Yeah.
I'm looking for them stops. Oh. I know some of y'all got stops.
Yep. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. 30-minute pack. Yeah, that was good. Because remember, all the buy stops got activated here, right? When price rebroke those highs. That's why we deleted ours, because we don't want to be a part of that crew, right? So all the buy stops got activated, but little did they know that the 4-hour closed right at resistance, right? So buy stops get activated on this break of the 30-minute highs here, and then look at this run down now, right? Look at this lovely run down there.
Look at this fakey.
Yep. Possible 4-hour fake
Grab that
out.
volume too.
Yo,
30
Sam, did you
minute.
not call this?
Yeah.
Did he not call it?
The only thing is, we
Yeah.
had news in 15 minutes, boys. That's it.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, there's a
W
trend.
W though, because we avoided a setup that we normally would have taken previous, and that's more important than anything, right? Getting rid of unnecessary losses in trading is more important than winning in anything. So
Yeah.
W.
Here comes that support, and we should tap it here. There it goes, tapped. So this is good. We'll clear this out, maybe start to retrace this move. We'll let news come in, push around a little bit, and then once the news settles down, we'll look to see if we can get a position here today. I can't believe it's Friday. I feel like we're showing up again tomorrow. It's weird when the
USD.
first of the month is like on the Friday.
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
right?
I
It's always
feel
weird.
like that throws a wrench, but we figure it out.
Yeah.
Nice.
US 30's doing the same exact thing right now.
Really.
Yeah. Made that move up, that little push up, and then came right back down.
Yo, Andreas. W. Feels like a Wednesday. Yeah, it does, bro. Feels like a Wednesday. Made another $2,400. Oh, Saravana, did you take the pack runner?
He took the Saravana runner. Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, as we continue to learn more about the pack runner, I'm telling you, this is a really good setup that we found through some of this testing over the summer. So we're gonna be anticipating this and applying this, right? Let's backtrack and understand why this worked out today, right? We had the 4-hour close. It closed right at resistance, right? Then we had the 1 hour come up, close above, make a top wick, and what that top wick will do is that will do what it did to us, right? Where we said, okay, let's set buy stops, right? But not everyone is as smart as us, and they won't delete the buy stops, right? When certain things happen and make those pivots in the market. So what happens is they keep their buy stops. Nothing wrong with them, right? They keep their buy stops. The 4 hour now flips and breaks the high, which activates all the buyers, right? And then starts coming back down. So now you see a potential 4 hour fake out happening. And that wick up here was with a wick that activated all the buyers. And guess what else it did? It stopped out all the sellers, right? Who had positions that looked like this, right? So a lot of sellers had positions, stops here. A lot of buyers had activations here, and stops are probably down here. So everyone gets stopped out, and that's how liquidity is grabbed in the market. And it makes sense with the 4 hour closing at resistance, and then the 30-minute creating its own resistance, right? And the 15 did that as well. And now if the 1 hour candle does create resistance, you should see a massive move to the downside here. Massive move. So what I'm trying to say is that these are scenarios where the pack runner will play out, right? They will play out during these times when all these other clues add up, when you notice like the candles closing at resistance, and you know, 4 hour, 1 hour look bullish, but daily came into the rejection zone, right? Rejected off that zone. 30-minute created a support, right? So these are all things that add up that make the pack runner a good A+ quality setup. So it's not just, hey, break the wick. There's some other things that need to line up, and this was a perfect example.
Yeah, and we tested it for a while too. We didn't just like, it wasn't like one day we showed up to the charts and we're like, hey,
Yeah.
let's start doing this new thing, right?
Yep. Oh, we're doing the countdown for what? Likes? Why no likey when you listen to Nick break down the charts? Yeah, I like that, man. We tap right into that support level perfectly. Perfectly. Whack runner.
Whack runner. We'll get a video for it soon, guys, but we want to make sure we're still watching it for like a little bit longer and make sure we can get some more data, right? Because we don't ever want to release anything that's, you know, we're not just trying to give you BS. We want to make sure we have profitable systems that truly do work, right? I know some of you guys been asking.
LG. Nick will never call my name out. Definitely. LG. There you go. Look at that. Never say never.
They never. Hey,
Oh, Johnny boy.
that's
What's
the
going on
energy.
there, pal? Who's Mick? Who is Mick? Yeah, lovely. Remember, I said we had 930, right? We had volume. That was the obvious, but we didn't have a solid position to execute on here. So if this candle would have closed below, then I would have probably had sell stops there.
Yeah, man. When you're looking for the best trade, you need all those confirmations to align, right? And you need it all to make sense. So that'd be an example again.
Yep. Yeah, a lot of times you'll see that too, where volume comes in, even like, let's say like news or volume will give you the pack runner, right? Anything that comes in that's going to force a lot of volume into the market, that's usually what will happen, because that's the liquidity snatch, right? That activates the buyers, it stops out the sellers, then stops out the buyers, right? So that's the liquidity snatch right there. And a lot of times that'll happen, like I said, when you have news or when you have very, very high volumes, like session opens. So here comes the news, I believe, right? Oh, not yet. Wow, 15-minute pushing.
8 minutes.
Why do you always wear a hat? That's for people who are balding. Show that luscious hair. Oh, yeah.
That game.
How could I
Nick, you
get
got
free
no hat
money
on
here?
today.
Ooh, nah, no hat. No hat, no
Looks
hat.
good, bro. Letting the hair flow.
Letting it flow. Told you they thought you were bald. Y'all thought I was bald. I used magical hair grow this yesterday.
You got the flow out, but he brought the ocean.
Can you
brought out
drop
the
your
waves.
affiliate code for Maury's wigs in Queens? Yeah, man. I haven't seen Maury. Where's Maury? I haven't seen him in a while. They found that man in a freezer. Who's seen the Goodfellas? What a classic.
Baby, where's my money?
Maury, what do you mean?
I need my money.
They put that dude in the front seat. They say, yo, Maury, you could ride shotgun today. No problem. No problem. Five months here. Great community. Hey, good to have you for 5 months. Nick needs a Mets hat. No way. No way.
Nah, he needs a Pablo hat. Pablo Sanchez.
Maury gets an ice pick.
Bro, I was thinking about that. That was probably one of my favorite days on stream. I was just sitting there listening to you guys talking about that.
Oh, yeah. Remember that? How many of you guys ever played backyard baseball on the computer?
It was so funny, bro. That was definitely probably one of my favorite days. I had no idea what you guys were talking about the whole time, bro. Just sitting there listening to it the whole time, laughing.
Poked him in his medulla. Make sure to join the Discord. Oh, yeah, gang. If you're not a part of the free Discord, join the free Discord here, man. We do a little Discording. Yeah, link will be in the chat. You guys are more than welcome to join the free Discord here. Come on in. Come on in. I got to check some of these rooms out here. It's been a couple hours. Let's go. Hey, dollars. Throwing them dollars around.
Backyard baseball goated. Yo,
Yo,
whenever that
the
happened
best.
that day, dude, you should have seen. I think it was Austin. He said, Pablo Sanchez goes crazy in the chat, dude. And it was like the Ratatouille clip whenever the guy eats the little portion and his eyes light up and he sees his whole childhood, like his mom's cooking and everything. Like that was next to whenever someone said that. It was so funny, bro.
Yo, Pablo.
Pablo
Remember,
Sanchez.
there was like a girl named like Greenwich.
Oh my goodness. This thing's Blade.
Blader.
Bring the blader. Yo, bro.
Yo. Howdy.
That movie stopped here. Yo. Yeah, how many of you took the pack runner? I'm curious.
They banked over 80 pips. Nice. Nice.
Yeah, W.
Written watch. Yes, sir. Forex Frank.
Yeah, this will happen over and over again. You'll start seeing this a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Another no trade day? Well, we'll see. We still got some time here. It's only we still got news coming out. Should have a lot of volume come in again. So we'll see where we're at once the news comes out, and if there's no positions, then yeah, no trade day. If there is, we'll take a trade.
Damn, boy.
W pack runner though. W sample sizing, right? Doing our homework here every day. Doing our homework. W homework.
Proving every day. That's what you want to be doing.
Where do you trade now? I have the funded trader. I have an account with them. Yeah, we're approaching the cleanest sells of the day. Right, below 35 here. So we'll see what happens with the news, if we can push down even further. I forgot to check the spreads during NFP.
That pack runner, that could be the high.
Oh yeah, yeah. It'll most likely be the high there.
Come on down here. Yeah, you got clean traffic below here. This is, I believe, 30 pip range. And then look at all this clean traffic below here. Clean. Oh, they were 3.5 pips, 4 pips. Oh, cool. So that's not even too bad. That's not too bad. My Forex funds, they were running up to like 6, 7 pips. Crazy. Thanks, Chris. Matrix is calling. Don't answer. When you're broke,
What's
trading
fun
is
on
10
air?
times harder. Yeah, yep, definitely. No lies there. Can we get 2 more likes? What do we need? 2 more likes to get to 1,000?
I think we got it.
Did we get it? I can't tell. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Appreciate your 1,000 likes. They were scalping us. All right, nice move down here. Yeah, if we can get news to come pump us up and have another pack runner, right? That'd be very nice. Stops would be a little too big though. Can you please explain the pack runner idea? Yeah, so sometimes, like, let's say you have a lot of volume coming into the markets, right? What you'll do is you'll have a bearish candle come up, make a top wick, break the high here, and then reflip bearish. A lot of times I've been noticing it works best when there's very little to no top wick. Kind of like this one. Right, this time we had a decent top wick and we still broke the highs there. But I believe that was because the 4 hour, right? 4 hour closing at resistance. Also, price looking to activate buyers. So I've seen it play out more so when you have these smaller top wicks. Price will come up, break the highs, and then give you a nice push in the opposite direction. And if you're looking at like a bullish move, you would basically have a support, right? Support. Something like this with a little bottom wick. And then the next candle come down, break that low, and then start pushing up. So the main thing you're looking for is this right here.
I'm not broke, but I'm not far off, so I can relate to this. It's hard to trade, but I know, yeah. Yeah, of course. It's just like you're investing, right? So investing is, in general, is tough when you're low on capital, right? All right, we got news here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's keep an eye on the spreads. One pip spread, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. How do you not confuse the pack runner with the onion or celery? Exactly. So that's why there's a lot of work to be done, right? There's a lot to follow, a lot to study. We've got a decent handle on it right now, but there's more to learn about it, right? So that's why we do homework every day, and we watch, right? We watch what times they happen, how they happen, certain situations they happen in. Like today, again, 4 hour at resistance, bearish day, daily coming up, tapping into all that wick rejection up there. So there's a lot of little nuances to everything we do, right? So that's why we never just throw something at you. It's always studying, homework, exploring the idea, watching it play out, right? I never add anything to my playbook until it's completely, washed out, right? Looked at, studied, the homework is done, right? Before we ever add any of that stuff. So, so we're still exploring it. We've got a good read on it, but we're noticing it happens different times too. So we just kind of continue to watch it, continue to do that homework. And, once it's really set in stone, then that's when we can say, all right, we're very confident in the fact that every time XYZ happens, 85% of the time we can expect price to do this. All right, so it's just just a lot of sample sizing. Gamble
80%
time.
of the time it works every time.
Yeah, there you go. Is there an 80% losing trader here? I want to take the opposite trade. Hey, I don't blame you. That's a good concept. Smart strategy. Yeah. Yeah, first day of the month here too, so. Look at this monthly though. Made a nice top wick, and we may start coming down for the onion play here. Sheesh. Yeah. Beautiful daily pack runner too. Daily grab right there, man. Gotta love it.
Let's see what the news was.
Yeah, I think the best sells here today are below 1935. Below here.
Big folk red, you got it, baby. On the money.
What do you get?
He just said, WUS news. I'm assuming that means bullish or US dollar.
Nightbot, hey yo, Nightbot hustling with the My Forex Funds link. Oh, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, Nightbot's a G.
Big G.
GJ.
Top G.
Nightbot's a G. Trying to get like Sam with news? Yeah. Tune into the 10-week elite program, because Sam's gonna be Sam's been cooking. Like Sam's been like on some next level Martha Stewart cooking type stuff.
And locked in. The man is locked in.
The man is locked in. You'll still get that affiliate money? No. I don't want that. No one purchase anything
their bank
from
accounts
that
are
link.
froze and they ain't sending him nothing.
They ain't sending nothing. Take any trades today? Nah, not yet. Cook meth? No, never.
Ever. Nah, we don't do that. Knowledge. No,
Who's the
you guys could see what was going on behind the scenes. Shoosh.
Who's the third guy on the call?
First time here? Which one?
Yeah, first time?
Did someone say cook meth? Oh my god.
Crazy.
What goes on?
Go do that, bro.
I'd love to talk to
goes
one of you
on
guys
in
about
YouTube
the
land?
elite. Show me the money. You can message me on Discord. Just come here, watch candles, listen to soothing music. It's like a therapy session. Yo, one guy hired me to almost basically be his therapist. Man gave me top dollar to work for a security company, rewiring security systems. I had no clue how to even do that. He was just like, bro, I just need you working with us every day. I was like, all right, no doubt, I'll come. Got you. Don't expect me to run no wire though, or mess with any screwdrivers, bro. I don't mess with those screwdriver things, man. Meat or meth. If my TFT account goes down, I'm cooking meth for sure. Yeah. You can be like Breaking Bad or whatever. Get yourself like
Yeah,
an
Lane,
RV.
that's funny, bro.
Go out to like New Mexico. You got blue light glasses on? Yep. I do. That's true, Andreas. That's true.
Bro, you ever get electrocuted before? I know when I was little, I was
Nah, I don't think
curious. I
I've
stuck my
gotten
finger in an
anything
outlet.
too bad. Nah.
I've never.
Yeah, I was curious when I was like probably like 7 or 8. I went,
Yeah.
and then it just feels like a vibration. It's like,
Bzz.
I mean, it kind of hurts.
Did it hurt? Like 1 out of 10. How bad did it hurt?
Maybe like a 6. Like to the point where it wasn't like I mean like it was like whoa, but it wasn't like someone like slammed a car door on my finger, like nothing even near that.
Yeah.
Just lift one foot up and you're good. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Now if you go touch like a transformer outside, you're done.
Yeah, it would have been nice if this candle came up, broke the high, and then came back down. But this thing just jolted right away. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, TK. That's
Exploded
what
in
I'm
my
saying,
face.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Nah, the one thing that did happen to me, one time I was driving in a storm, and this big power box, right, that was like on this lamppost, literally just dropped, right, hit the ground. I stopped my car. I just waited like in front of it. Like I wasn't like super close to it, but I waited a few seconds. Nothing happened. Decided to go drive my car now and just kind of like maneuver around it, bro. This thing exploded, dude, right as I was like about to pass it. Bro, I'm telling you, my hearing, I think something happened with my hearing for a couple years. I think it's back now, but yo, that was nuts. I felt that whole thing like throughout my body. My car, the electric in my car just like was all crazy too. I'm like, oh, damn. Oh, damn.
Oh,
My
that's
eyes were like,
crazy.
ah. Can we consider
That's
1 minute
crazy.
chart? Huh? Which one? Green. Green.
Get
The
'em.
1 minute chart? No, thank you. No, thank you.
Green just
But-
say the 1 minute chart.
No.
Oh,
Nah, not the 1 minute. Nope.
Brother Starving.
Not
yeah.
for me.
Play that. Someone said Brother Starving.
Yeah, why didn't I think of that? That brother stop. The 1 minute chart, man. The 1 minute chart.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Brother, stop. No, I wouldn't consider the 1 minute chart just because it doesn't work well for me. It's a lot of different things going on, but some people trade the 1 minute really good. So if that's like your style, then yeah, you can make a lot of money because there's a lot of moves on the 1 minute, but too many moves for me. Stack sells, my guys. Mom was not super thrilled. Oh, damn. TK was a little crazy kid. One minute chart? Yeah, that's OG stuff. You gotta be a real top G to trade the 1 minute. Yo. Alright, what time is it here? 10:09. So we'll give this thing one more shot here at 10:30. And we'll see if we get a position. If not, we'll call it a day. Come back tomorrow or Monday, right? Come back Monday and let all the dust settle here from the Thursday news events. And Friday, right? All the Thursday prop firm events. Yeah, we're still going to stream on Monday. Yep. Yeah, it's a bank holiday on Monday, but I'll still stream. Maybe we'll run a simulation or something. But we'll just hang out for a little bit, get on live stream, and go over a couple things.
Just chill.
Hey, yo, what's going on in the chat here? Oh, whoa.
I don't know.
I don't know. Y'all got your own thing going on now. What's the lowest time frame that I trade? Usually the 15-minute. We've taken 5-minute entries, but those have been mainly during CPI and FOMC. Bank holiday means no trade, or you could still trade. You could still trade. There's just low volume. We may do a simulation or something. So we'll do like a, I don't know. We'll see. I'll plan something. You can learn to cook meth on Monday.
Oh, Ghost me, you keep talking about that. You're starting to scare me, brother.
Yo, starting. Chat be
Alright,
scaring
so
me
I get a little
sometimes.
frightened.
I love y'all though. Scaring me though. How did that news come out?
For the ISM manufacturer,
Higher numbers.
I think it was. Yeah.
September, baby. Fresh, clean slate, chat. Fresh one.
Fresh month. Let's go.
Oh yeah, someone asked about the gap, right? Yeah, there's a gap on my It's from the news here. Yeah, you probably won't see it. Yeah, you don't see it on TradingView, but
Yeah, so you saw that news come out, 10 a.m. The new 1 hour candle, 30-minute candle opens up. Just started pushing down right away. Right now we're pulling back a little bit, tapped in that support.
mm-hmm.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, support right
Simple
here.
chat.
That's the
all
support
it
he's
is.
talking about.
Yeah.
But we can't take sells below here because you know, you got a lot of choppiness going on, right? A lot of chop over here. So we don't want to get involved in a trade and then we end up chopping over here, right? So the cleanest sells, like I've been saying, are going to be below here. All that's good money. Right? If you didn't catch it up here, then now you want to wait. Right? You want to see this candle pull. If this candle can pull back and close like maybe a little bit below here, next candle come up, make a top wick, then I may be interested. But that's about it, right? I'll be interested for that wick fill, come down to that support, and then anything after that can run. But we'll see. We'll see if we can get something like that. If not, we'll call it a week.
Yeah, W, I like that too.
4-hour fake out. Broke the lows, right? 4-hour had no bottom wick. We were talking about this from this morning. So everything made sense, right? As I think back now on this pack runner, I'm thinking in my head, right, that a lot of things really lined up. A lot of things really lined up. And these are things that we can look for in the future, right? The whole daily top wick, right? The daily candle coming into this rejection zone and rejecting, that's one, right? The 4-hour closing at resistance here, that's 2. All right, close right at resistance, that's number 2. The 30-minute, hold on, let me get rid of this. The 30-minute creating a resistance right here is number 3. And the 4-hour having no bottom wick is number 4, right? So there was four clues of why this could play out today. And those clues, we'll put them in our pocket now and we'll keep them with us for next time, right? That's the cool part about doing homework on this stuff. That's the cool part about sample sizing, is you begin to see certain things, right? And add those clues up. And today we had about 4 clues on why this could work out. But, you know, for me, I didn't take it because I want to continue studying it, but also because we closed in no man's land up here, right, on the 30-minute time frame. If this 30 right here would have closed below, then I would have definitely been open for these sells. But it's cool to see it play out and just continue watching it and continue to get familiar with it. So that time, that way next time, we'll be there to answer on it, right? We'll be there to execute, and the time after that, and the time after that, and the time after that. So, W. Who bought FTMO challenges today? Can you show your MT5 on mine? The current 30-minute is, yeah, let's take a, yeah, you got that gap there. My lingo is changing being here with you guys.
Good.
My 2-year-old starts crying. Hey, yo, stop quaking. He's calling for food. I'm like, that brother's starving. Yo, that's funny. I love that. Little man quaking. Little man quaking. Why didn't we take the fake out on the 15? Oh, that's I just explained all that, right? That's still a move that we're studying. So yeah. Later, Future FX. See you tomorrow, bro. Hey, Future FX coming to Tampa.
Have a good
soon.
weekend, Future.
Who's gonna be in Tampa with me and Future FX?
Hey, peace, Future FX. Damn, you just missed me.
Just missed. Are you using a demo account? Yeah, my live account is frozen. My live account now with MFF is frozen, so this is a new challenge account. So I haven't taken a trade on it yet. It's a new challenge account that will run up. And yeah, Nick be telling his kids stop quaking. my kids don't be quaking too much though. I be getting them all. They tighten up, you know. I tell them tighten up. Stop playing.
Quake.
No quaking.
Don't quake in this house.
Yeah, worst case scenario with these funding BS is I'll just open up a live account, right? If anything goes south here with this one, then I'll just open up a live account. We'll just trade that here. This which firm? This is with the funded trader. It's 400K with the funded trader. Using ACAP. ACAP.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
How much do I risk per trade? Every trade's a bit different, so depends on the stop loss. But I'll be using 40 lots here on this account. So depending on the stop loss, that gives me the risk. Yeah, I seen that, David. That was funny. Yeah, I seen that video before. Yeah, I was gotta do it. You not scared on September 11th?
Other prop firms? No, I'm not scared because I'll just open up my own account. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not too scared. Like I said, worst case, I'll put like 40K maybe in like another personal account.
It's really nothing to be scared of. It's not these people going out of business.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, it's just some regulation. It's just the SEC. You know, it's not like, you know.
Yeah. They're just checking in on things, so we'll see what happens.
The same thing happened with, you know, cryptocurrencies. It's no different.
Yeah.
They're just making so much money, and what happens is when you make so much money, you get on these people's radar. Those prop firms are killing it right now.
Crushing it.
True.
There's only like one thing that scares me, and it's just like the United States hates CFD trading. Super
Yeah, that's true.
Word.
Oh, here comes our resistance on pound yen. What I tell you guys, just wait on it. Happened to my network marketing company? Oh, damn. Yeah, the only company I would ever do network marketing in is Amway. They're the best. They're the top dog, tippy top. They are the example. Like, they're what, they make the guideline, right? In order to line up what's credible, what's legit, and what's not for network marketing companies. And they have the best mentors. Their mentorship is insane. Just good quality people.
Yeah, I think MFF will be back and running. Yeah, I think it will be.
Yeah, give it some time. Just wait on it.
Yeah, just wait on it.
No reason to quake. What's it gonna accomplish?
Quake even. Go Quake even. Go Quake even. Hey, Anna Stew's in the building. W's for Anna.
W.
And a stew.
Wanna.
Anna Stewart's here, the queen of time to eat trading. The queen has arrived. The queen. We're almost done here, I think. Got 10 minutes here. Wanna.
Go the W's.
She says lol.
Wanna Stew in the building. She's getting on the podium and dropping some gems.
And a report to Zoom.
Hey, yo, Makai. Hey, yo, Micah.
Hey, yo.
Babe, you hear this guy? You hear this guy?
Okay, come on. No.
And we have some good toothpaste, I must say. Oh yeah. That they do. All their products are fire. You guys, you know what I drink in this morning every cup, right? Excess. I drink Excess every morning. Assemble the Guardians and welcome our queen. Yeah.
Yeah, get the trumpets. Roll out their carpet.
Get out the trunk. All right, so we got what, 7 minutes here and waiting for a closure. The only way I'm taking sells is if we close below 1935 here. Other than that, we'll chalk this thing up probably.
Rocked it up.
Isn't Amway a MLM? Yeah, yep. The MLM, right? They're like the standard for MLM. Top dog, man. Bring out the whole stews.
Hey, W's in the chat for Anna. Put some WANA, some WNA. Right? Yeah, WNA. Because she only got one N. Or just spam the chat with some W's. Just spam with some W's. Hit her with some W's, chat. WANA. WANA's in the building. Hit the queen, the TTE queen with some W's. There they go. There they go. Oh, gee, John Stewart's in the chat. Oh, damn.
Johnny boy.
Hey, W's. Oh, damn. W on W on W. When? Walea. We got Walea and Waverick here too. All right. 5 minutes. W's in the chat. We got motion. We got motion for the queen.
Chat active.
The queen. Seriously?
Emotion.
We got motion. I found you're a scammer in your Discord. Oh, all right. Post them in the scammer chat. Let's scam them out of here. I'm lagging. My Forex Funds account is frozen. All right. Are we going to end up in the chop here? Uncle Scalp, we going to end up in the chap or what?
Yeah.
We ended up in this chap?
We ended up in the chop.
Sheesh.
We'll have a chop.
Hey, babe, is it okay if I fly to New York to have Burger Loft with Uncle Scalp and John and Joe tonight?
Oh, you better be pulling up.
I'll fly back tomorrow morning. What do you think?
Yeah.
As long as it's first class, yo. I'm in a mood for the for a burger from Burger Loft.
Dude, pull up.
Can't go back.
Green better be there.
Green, yeah, green. Everywhere you see me, you'll see green. Everywhere you see green, you'll see me. Me and green are one.
He
Green
said,
and I
"Bring
are
me
one."
back bagels.
Oh, bring her back bagels. Oh, right. We got to bring back some New York bagels.
Bet, bro. I'll see you a little bit then.
Look me up some flights here, John, while I end the stream. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the...
Yo, when Sam pulls up, we're bringing him to Burger Loft.
Oh, yeah. Stop playing.
I'm gonna be up on the loft, bro. Let me come up on the penthouse. Hold up. Let me get upstairs real quick. And then
Oh,
I
look
go,
at him. He just
I'm
vanished. He's a shapeshifter.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna go up these stairs here to the left.
Oh.
And then I gotta get the chopper filled up with gas, so I'll
get
be
the
right
chopper. Get the chopper. Oh, man.
back. Burger Loft, right?
Yeah, sir. Tell him
bro.
Burger Loft.
Yeah. I'll catch you, bro. See you in a little bit. Yo,
Tell him bring out the whole
bagels.
bagels. Stairs? Oh, stairs. Have a great weekend. All right, see you, Lee. All right, brother. I'll see you soon. Hey, Green with the big donation here on a Friday. Thank you, Green. Thank you, man. You didn't have to donate. Appreciate that, bro. Dubs in the chat for Green. Can we get some reens in the chat? I'm gonna jump in on this one. Oh, that's not the chat. Reen, W Dono. Big dubs.
Green, let's go.
If anyone donates, chat, you gotta automatically just shout them out. Shout it from the top of the ceiling, from the top floor. Thank you, Green. I appreciate that. That'll go towards I don't know. Let's see. What can that go towards? It'll go towards something good, Green. Trust me. Green.
Yeah, you need some write-offs.
All you guys that need write-offs, go ahead and get your write-offs on.
Yeah, bro. Use it for Anna's Bagels.
Oh, yes. We'll use that for Anna's Bagels. Yeah. That'll do it.
Andreas, whoa.
Andreas, bro. You going crazy today.
That boy got fire in the booth.
That boy starving.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
That brother's starving, man. Sell now? Okay. Are we on the
Looking
sell now?
shocked.
No. This thing's looking chalky, man. Chalky. Back in the chap. Back in the chap.
Looking like
What
a
do you know
first
about
month
chap?
chop.
Uncle Scott, what do you know about chap?
My bad, I got fired up. Hey, sometimes you just get fired up, man.
Fire in the booth.
Fire in the booth. Bagels. All right, yeah, so. Would you do a meet up in the future? Yes. Yes, we're trying to plan one. We were trying to plan one for September in Tampa, but most people aren't available in September, so we may push that back towards August. Or some of you guys live in the cold weather, right? So maybe we'll do something down here in Florida when the winter time is going on up north, and you guys come down and get a break from the winter, right? From the cold. Come down to Florida in the winter.
That'd be dope.
And then what we'll do in the summer is we'll go to somewhere cold, like Colorado. Yes, TK. Nick, look at GJ. Ex-football player only, or football only. I feel like that's the only thing you've said to me today, man. How you doing? Yeah, there's your onion on GJ.
Never
I'm not
how
going to
you
take GJ,
doing.
though. How's your day going? Is the hurricane in
Trade
Tampa?
today.
Yeah. Yeah, the hurricane left. It's gone.
Really? Like just gone?
Just gone. Just like Sam at the end of the
Yeah,
live
bro.
show.
Shit. Pretty much missed us. Almost.
Just like you said.
Did
bro,
have
that's
power
crazy.
outage.
Yeah. We had a major power outage. How long will Signals buy now get 2 months free last? We'll probably leave that up for like 2 weeks or so. Yeah, any package of Signals that you guys purchase, you'll get 2 months free. 2 months free. But yeah, gang, I think that's gonna be it here for the day. I think we're gonna call it here. Not gonna take any sells or anything like that. Let this whole day finish up. We have a really nice potential closure here on the daily after grabbing liquidity, so we may start to see that move back down now, right? Weekly has created or is starting to push down as well, and the monthly also created a nice top wick for us. So let's keep out. I think next week's gonna be very clean week. So enjoy your weekend. Let's get here on time on Monday, and I think we're gonna have a really nice week in terms of price action and volume. So it should be good. Should be
Yes,
good.
sir. That'll do it.
Until next time.
There.
All right,
What a
boys.
week, chat.
Peace, chat.
What a week.
What a week.
What
What
a
a
week.
week.
Love you.
Enjoy your
love
weekend,
you.
everybody.
Yeah, y'all have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. All right.
Have
Johnny,
a good
I see
weekend,
you.
boys. Peace, chat.
Johnny, I see you,
Peace
bro.
out.
Love you, boys. I'm gone.
See ya, bro.
See y'all in New York.
See ya.
Peace. All right, chat.
Peace.
Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Go out, man. Be great this weekend, right? Don't slouch. Don't get lazy, right? Separate yourself this weekend from the masses of people. If you got some extra, go give it away. There's other people out there that are in a really tough situation that could use some help. So if you got some help, go help someone, and I think you'll be blessed for it. But until next time, love you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. All right? Peace.